Go wash up your plate them, no girl.
Every day you get up and want me wash plate, you can't wash them too.
Me all the one I younger one, so you have to wash your plate.
That no say.
That's your job. You know, I don't know else.
That no say.
I want to go on that.
She don't want to wash your plate them. Talk it to her. She a younger one, she have to wash them.
Every day I wash plate, she can't wash them.
We don't like wash plates. Oh, my don't like wash plate, look like nasty. True.
See, nasty one in front of you, you know. Every single day, food cook, me have to wash plate.
Alright.
I want plate, me need a motor. I know you will like plate them.
Who spread the bed?
So you think you come out for do?
What
What think you come out for do?
Aksar.
When me come out
here
here,
to work.
Right.
Mommy never push out if you act nice with your monkey face and go on like you're cute when you're ugly. She push out if you put in hard work. So she can't sit there no harm in her argue with you come here on a size.
and that with
Mommy!
you know, no just big and nasty.
Mommy!
Man.
You like I say old woman here now.
We have a lot to know waste my name for. How
Them I mean me did it for salt so because them a cost more plate I'm have the energy. Cause if I did my opinion, I'm stick it to them together so.
Cause what plate?
He wash up the plate them when I
Mommy, she don't want to wash the plate them and I share younger one. So talk it to who wash them.
Mommy,
Yeah,
every day me wash plate, you know, I wash the plate them.
But girl, I a younger one.
That no
You
sense.
see, me now no time for this, you know. You see, if me did there and argue who for pay floor, who for pay JPS, who for pay water, them take this from my head too.
Well, mommy, go on and make we start it out then.
On the start it out quick and smart. Me not believe so on for argue over
Mommy,
that.
a Joey, I go wash the plate them. You are go wash them.
You wash for you. You wash for your plate.
Mommy, every evening, every morning, evening, rinse it out.
Stop tell lie. Here what?
Mommy, I wash them.
Unless you don't want me to say, me I cook for myself and everybody cook for them own self.
Mommy.
And look after them own self. On the sort it out. I mean, I want the neighbor them come hear me.
But Thais, I know say a long time you're nasty too. Yeah, next a long time you're nasty.
Amen.
You chat too much.
All
Mommy.
your panty when me see you put on there so with the jazz catch is yellow. To show you how you're nasty. The level of nastiness that you walk with underneath your legs. Don't look up plate you can't wash up. You're the next one.
Footstep, me a follow.
Where?
With the nasty panty and yellow panty.
No, me dear.
Hi. Me no want to know that, you know. For the
Mommy,
plate.
Don't say that,
Me no
girl.
business.
You're out of order.
Me no business.
Mommy have a better solution. Buy phone box so we eat with us throw it away.
And yeah, you're nasty.
All the nasty people alone suggest them
On a
something
stick
there.
a pin, right yourself. Me no business with arguments, you know. Me I go shop. Me go buy some things.
Okay.
When me come back, me
Okay.
want cook.
Alright,
My
bye-bye.
light gone.
Yeah.
And me no want cook in the dark.
Okay.
So,
alright. Bye-bye.
She go wash
how
them.
we have the attitude?
Man, make you nasty out of the problem. The plate no wash and you tell me say you go up and if you tell who to wash the plate.
Me no business. Them big enough and ugly enough for know what to do. Me gone. And me
Where's the one I go with me?
Ugly no.
Where's the one I go with me and la? Where's the one I go?
A
Me
mother
say,
ugly and daughter
them
ugly.
big enough
Them-
and ugly enough to know
two of
what to
them.
do. All alone.
Mother
alone.
ugly, daughter ugly and daughter.
No,
Me
you
like
talk
cuties.
about and remember your place.
Mommy.
Remember your place, little girl.
But mommy, I can't this so. Your mother say.
Well,
ugly
you raise
and
me
ugly.
pressure, man. When you raise me pressure.
Anyway, you know what?
Try no say by the time he come back, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
Me come back to
Let
a
me
clean
start it
kitchen.
out.
Oh.
Go wash up your plate them.
Sit down and wait for the plate.
Sit down, wash up your plate.
Me not wash nothing.
You go wash your plate.
She a young girl, me she wash.
Oh yeah, the next one, you feel me at your size?
Size in her shoes and clothes.
If I never seen you know, I just pull your head, pull it by your ear.
Who have been cat here and horse here people. Pure longer people.
Just pull out your face now, dirt, because you're garbage.
You're rubbish.
But you don't want to wash the plate them. Because you're nasty, Thais. I'm say you're big, girl, you're nasty.
Where you go about where you come from?
Oh, for the road me I come from, me go hustle. Me go hustle. And me come in now for little food. And me can't get little food.
Guess what? I'm going hungry, you know this a yard.
No.
You're near and sleep and gone. You do nothing in the house.
You see the thing with Uno now? It's not possible for me get up a morning time and go out there go work. And me come back in.
What kind of work?
Me I come back into a dirty plate. I better say bathroom not clean. If you say you a big girl, then you say you want a man.
Are you bigger? You feel make sure say clean.
Me big and me I go out and look about something. Me I go out and make money.
What kind of work you do? Tell me.
You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about what kind of work me I do. Me no size or companion.
Take time
Oh.
back on the road. I trail back on mommy.
Alright, my girl. Stop not talking with me. Cause I see nobody nasty like you yet.
Your footstep, yeah.
And the jars them dirty. And then you must have rotten out. And ginger flag must have dropped from underneath you.
Hey, come here.
Hmm?
Me tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, when you reach where your grandmother there,
See my granny there.
me see her. What me they tell you say when you reach where she there, nobody tell her nothing. Me know you love chat. Everything about me and you chat and tell her.
Me not chat.
Not telling no. Cause she love passing her people business too.
What?
Oh, cheer me mother
And
what?
what breeze bring you here, so?
I will just go and look for you if you spend little time with you. Alright?
Yeah, my grandbaby, alright.
Yes, so you know cook.
Hey, you ever walk with your belly?
Me hungry man from morning, me no yam.
Me no cook yet, you know?
And during this time, me I tell you say one piece of war. The truck them come, TVJ come and one if a bus come and give us something over the school and if you see how the people them a behave.
Oh, God.
Me shame like a dog, me I'll not get nothing.
Oh, God.
Once somebody get already and come back and get again.
Then box mommy in her mouth.
Who box you? Who box her?
If I run go get Fergus and then lock him in her mouth.
You never lick them back, you never shot them a box back.
I don't know how to do it.
Maybe as if you take last lick.
And somebody, me no
You
know,
did that there?
me no know her. She and one
Come
man
here, come
did
here, yard
stand
with
up.
the eye swell up. You see, still swell. Look on that.
Through under here so.
Yeah.
And the girl with her man lick me in my face and say, your mama can't do me nothing. I know her a long time from school days and she always a going like a bad girl. So, hey girl, one time your mama did take me man and now me I take out it on you. Say me pass and take on her foot and me never. I food me a wait pan cause I chuck a give out and then push me down on the ground and lick me in my face and me no get
Push who for pick me down the ground?
And me them.
Who?
Me no know them. They say they know you.
What they look like?
You better top it.
The
You
girl
do
look-
a thing.
The
You
girl look
behave.
like a junk crow, her inside peel out.
You see any day name there you ever point them out to me? Me not say me I go do something, you know?
No, she said me not tell you. She said any how me go call up her name because she did tell me say she must name. She said she name Teresa. Teresa or Tracy. One of them, Tracy or
A
Teresa.
Trizan? I did dirty woman Trizan. Oh, she tall and brown and I hear fizzy out.
Yes, she say you always a take her man. That's why you breed so much and so much weakness. See how me they tell you a long time, so you shouldn't have so much away. And now you make people that can use
God
against you.
bless me. A jealous and bad mind. She's too jealous and bad mind. Let
Can
me
you
tell
say
you.
she can't breed?
A man left her for me, yes. Well, if me was better than her.
I wish one away.
So we are there. We are going to turn up and discuss history. That we go
Aye.
for
Call, right
So
you
which
know.
one away? Father went there with that the woman there.
Thank God me never breed for that.
Oh,
Me breed
yeah.
for plenty man, but me never breed for him.
So my mother for a long time we born now. Cause me whole lot now, you know, and get big and have one picnic, you know, and me ask you what my father, you know, want tell me. And you make it seem trend, or like I want trend or a tradition in our family. No, you know.
Who in our family married? Who in
Nobody.
our family have how much picnic and one father for all of them? So I just so.
So we make your breed and have so much and we have we so fast and then we no none of we no know we father.
Happy ears. The thing
Yeah,
sweet.
we are
No,
going
you
to
please
papi.
up.
Papi.
This thing sweet me.
Oh.
And me think say them and them never.
So we can never use pressure. My
Me
mother.
not talk that in
You
front
should
of my
use
granddaughter,
protection
man.
because me
Sure,
not ready
she
for
a
ban it.
baby. She
But
a
me
baby.
not ready for ban it and you go and breed and come see all we are suffering. Me come to stay with you. Me ask if you cook and you not answer. We can stay over your yard for boss. Yeah, just.
But a long
mean,
time this
I
year,
just
man.
no,
Mostly
just
me
few
alone
days
do
we
it.
are stay for just few days. We don't want to live a few yard. Remember say we have a good house.
No, but me turn with you.
But we want to stay with you still although we house alright.
She know what
All right,
stay.
no see you come to a warehouse. Can me leave them bangarang sister and argue who I go wash plate. So me did a go shop if I go cook, but try make we go see. I like how you there now, then can't rob. Come. Let's find something to cook.
But
Coming to
me hungry, me no eat from morning, you know. Say Melissa come and blow out the rice and the sugar and the sick them from out of the house.
Lord shall blow with the ants them too.
Everything with Melissa blow away everything.
Melissa,
A
open the door
cardboard
and
me
take
have
out
to use and a
everything.
fan at night time and mosquito bite me.
Oh God, how you manage? I like
So
how
we
you
can-
Me
we
manage.
can-
tie me down to the bed. Little more, Melissa take me on the bed.
Hey, me here say, one of my friend, I raise chicken. How much chicken in the cup? Melissa take with the whole cup, fly with the whole cup and chicken, go clean with it. So you're lucky. Come.
The sun a burn me.
Yeah, man, come. Me find something now home. Me just too glad to see you. Oh,
Shania,
do me
I shall she did a go. We have to learn.
Show me
shop
find somewhere
again.
in the
Come.
yard
Oh.
to cook. Come on, let's go.
Me just too glad to see you, no man.
What problem?
Me not tell you what problem already. Me want me here if you do. From other day me hear a scratch from tell us me want pull out.
Fat
it.
that you left yard. You can't tell me.
Yes.
Let me reach in.
No, because you lost spend off your money on road before you reach your yard.
I have to drink to enjoy myself. When you're under stress, you have to drink rum.
Oh, so you got your money for do me here. You got to use and buy a rum. Not true for your dirty food friend them.
Remember, you know, you say I have 15,000 for the day, right?
Yes.
Every day I go up on the road, I
And
make
the
a 5
longer I
grand.
take, and more money I go to it.
But
You
every
must
day I
know.
go up on the road, I make a 5 grand. And I expect if I buy rum out of it, nothing now gonna really left out of that.
Then no buy no rum, then go here go drink water.
What water go to me?
What you mean by? Go sleep then.
No, me have it in the vibes, under the spirit, so I can put it on. If me not under the spirit, how me put it on?
Put on what?
What you expect?
Wouldn't I get none then? Simple.
So,
Do without.
so if you live with a woman and just look for her every night and day, I not go in her.
Oh, so wait, let me say something to you. You know why your woman look good? You know why your woman look good? You see, if you know why your woman look good, the next man, I'm going to make your woman look good. If that you want.
I don't understand.
It's a workless, man. You need to do better.
If me,
People are past. Stop it nice.
Dirty drunk crow.
I mean, shut up.
Dog.
how we are chat?
Me hate them, you see.
Okay.
God, me hate them, they wicked. But me nah forgot.
Oh, she mad. I want mad woman. I want mad woman.
Me see it.
Yeah, come.
Who you drop your word pan?
A mad woman. Just come now, man. They can't talk to mad woman.
Me a go mash up somebody.
A people business.
Hello.
A people business. Come out of people
Hello.
business now.
And me a call drunk.
A people business. Come out of people in business now.
And me a drop your word pan.
Jesus Christ.
You see me that talk.
Mom.
Yeah, yeah, she call me drunk.
Mom. Don't talk to my boyfriend, so.
If I come, my daughter pass and I talk to her.
But me a calm down him. Calm down your daughter.
Hello, mind how you talk to me, mother, you know.
And what you gonna do about it?
Thinking you made, don't play with me, no.
What you gonna do about it?
You turn up a
Tell me what you are gonna do about
You
it.
mean when me a go do about it?
No, what you gonna do about
You
it?
just pass and drop and word and you like how you feel like I say. I you me attack or your man, defend it.
Me not gonna defend it.
Defend it.
You have to touch me
No,
first.
defend it.
You can't. You gonna pull out it here. You gonna pull out it here. No, you touch me first. Me not touch James first, you know. Are you first? Touch me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, look a girl. Come out of it.
You're dead meat.
Wow.
You are dead meat.
Wow.
Dead beat.
Do something about
You
it.
are dead meat and your man are dead beat.
Defend it, no.
But start out your life, come
have
stay
to
away
touch
down
it
there
till
for
you get
area the beg
disease.
to
You can't really say I'm mad, man.
Mad like
Don't family own mad.
mad like your
yes,
mom and your
you're mad.
third and second
Allow
and
it.
fourth and fifth generation them.
All of them dead. All of them dead.
You left next to dead. And your next one left for dead.
Wow.
Your generation then dead. The one that dead better than you. You are disgrace.
No worry yourself about that. Hey! Yo, you idiot. You idiot. You the head this item. You idiot.
What a man too is this? Come me baby.
Man, what you are doing, you should have killed him.
I know that.
You should have killed him.
I know that. And this one if you come on the our friend on there so come up here and chat about.
So I said no having a picnic.
You
I
want.
said no having a picnic and one.
Why you not call it?
Hold me back. You know, see she dep and hold me back. Hold me back.
Come.
Bring you again, mommy.
No, come.
Oh,
Hey!
you idiot. You idiot. You don't have no sense. No sense you don't have. Hold this. That's so fool. Hold it now, man. Fight back. You don't run. You can't run from the whole people.
Security pick up the picnic.
Come on.
Let me go.
Oh, crab louse. Move away. Boring girl. You know, see a man you stand up on the roadside and beg $15,000. Me stay way down the sun here. Little curly. Look on you too. All you dirty boy. Me say anytime me catch you, you will see. Your life a go end. All the dirty girl, they dry scratches, tear up now. So, all you hold your tights in your mouth, and some your mouth your milk. Dirty boy, you see how you know say me have you for a long time, drunk.
So tell me something. Him and she did push you down? And them did push you down?
None of them did push me down. You
Oh.
you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you.
What happened? In all fairness, what happened though? We're confused.
You see that dirty man there? Me a pass the while and him a cut in your for me. Why you cut your hair off of me for drunk?
Oh, come in.
Why you cut your hair off of me?
for
No,
no
I don't know the
reason.
man from nowhere.
I
Me just a
wonder.
person see man a cutting your hair off of me. Dirty boy. You come like a saliva. Drunk or
No
what girl come-
saliva have used.
No, all in girl come like some little mini fly. Come
baby,
go on like
come.
a hype.
Come,
Your
make we
mother-
go cook
Hey, you
food.
wait until me catch you and you
Make we
big
go
old
cook
thinking
food.
girl.
Go
Drunk
crab
her.
blouse
You can't
then.
say two of them are dead for hungry. A roadside do not turn up. All the girl there one side of dries you have. Dirty dog.
Oi. So come to the little old place. Thank God Melissa never do it too much damage.
Oh my God.
happened?
Then my big sister is having this.
Mhm.
Look your fear. Oh my God. My granny get slide window.
Yes,
Oh
my girl,
my
gone
God.
up in the
I
world.
want the solar.
A solar.
You get solar?
Me 10 JPS to go. Hey, a solar, me there.
You have AC too?
Me not reach so far yet. You gotta help your old granny get AC.
Oh my God. When me rich. Oh my God.
Oh
me proud
God.
of you.
Thank you.
Jesus
Thank
Christ,
you.
mommy, you see if Melissa never did take away horse, oh God, we couldn't have them here too. Jesus, oh my God. Mommy, you know, see,
What you just
slide
say?
window.
Kayla, come here. Come talk to your grandmother.
Oh my God.
Come here, little. Talk to your grandmother. Come here, get in there in my old age. What you say, do what? If you never do what?
Oh, me not say no. Oh, you hear me
No,
say something?
mommy, hear you say if Melissa never do what?
Mommy know why she come up here. You talk to her.
So hold on.
I make you chat so much.
Oh,
You never hear it.
me
she say.
find out what breeze bring you now. The breeze near Melissa. Ah, so make the bag so fat.
I feel my things in there though.
So why you couldn't just tell me outright? A hurricane, you know?
You see, my mother, let me tell you something. Me have to clear my throat pan one. That's why it's not good for your boast from people and go and like you too hype than people. You remember when me used to tell you say my house better than your house? No, the house when me say better than fear house. It gone. Not even one nail.
The whole house gone?
Everything. Me
But a
add-
concrete house you live in a.
Me I tell you say, Melissa don't play with either board or concrete. It no matter. Melissa mess with almost everybody. Almost everybody a feeling a jam down. Right you know, me could have come up here for a long time, but me just never want come at your yard with the rest of my sister them, because me know say a whole heap of picking have and me know maybe the space and so. But anyway, since as you come down to this and you chat too much, you,
No,
me tell you say if you keep your mouth and
So,
don't-
mommy,
you could have make me tell her
Mommy,
myself, because me never ready to tell her.
You're not ready for tell her, which is my point. You never come here and you slip out of my mouth. What we done do? Go
And a
to
slippy
the-
slip and you pity out of your mouth for
Well, if
purpose.
you never pit out, then mommy, what we done do?
So why
Come
you
here,
make
sit
something
there
like that?
out. What we done do? Come here and then go back up this one, then come
No,
back
we
to
ain't
her
go
again.
back up.
I
We
don't
start out in
understand
life,
the
we
whole
coulda get-
hiding. He's your mother.
Because me feel a way because me always say my house better than your house and now me have to come
Let
back
me
and
tell
come
you
stay with you.
something,
I
my
want to stay here
child.
so now because I have nowhere else to go.
God bless me with the 4 We might cuss and go on sometime, come to drive me mad. But from yesterday, all I wanna come from. Eh? So if you can't come to your mother in a damn your time, me just say thank you. This little old piece of thing stand up.
You always accuse me to want to talk about my breed before time and when it passing. So certain things when you want come just dash man you so in the way so till me friend you up. And then me take time and tell you.
You have to friend me up first. Well, you're there now. I'm glad. So hold on.
So
On
we
the day in the house when the house will blow down.
Yes,
And
me
me
tell you
ask-
say the bed,
me
me fuck
say,
with me.
me go underneath the bed. She went up on the bed and the bed shake and shake so and fling her over the corner.
Oh, Joe.
And when me look, me see the bed a go along straight up in the ear and a wheel and if you ever hear how the breeze I go.
You say the time me.
Like a different language it a speak. Me say the breeze sound funny.
It's
like,
like Japanese
and
and
it come like
French
an
in a
real
one.
rain. It come like an real rain because you see the rain will come. It burn up the whole of the leaf them, all of the tree them up on the mountain like a some
Acid rain.
did in that the water.
He
them.
then send acid rain
But
for
remember, say
me.
when regular normal rain fall from
No,
God,
no,
that's
that's how you know sign a God storm, you know.
the tree them green and nice. Something wrong with the water.
They done the moss. And the so-called scientists come here for watch it too. When nobody me
And you
start
know,
on
say
that.
people them overseas I feel they help Jamaican
Thank
people
God,
do.
God bless them because we own a government now do crap for
I
we.
people them overseas
Yes, and the
love where they
artists
have in their
them.
heart and them put together
Yes, God
and decide
bless
to make we
them.
help with nation. Even people when they come from here.
God
and
bless them.
I feel they help Jamaican
So my
people.
granny, you can't tell me I'm asleep playing on thank you,
Let me tell you something, madam. Let me tell you something. You know, say, a long time I come out of your house, you know, say, you see my room when I did have, it me want, you know. I know, say, some of my sister, them are sleeping there, but I want back my room.
What?
What you mean, what?
Well,
Me can't
me did put, me did.
So what am I gonna do now?
Well, here what?
Oi.
Full stop.
You
Are your
and
niece
Zoe
that, you
have to go. You and Zoe have to go come back, hold back together.
Are your niece?
Because Candy her mother and she have to go sleeping with her daughter.
Mommy.
And you and Zoe go back.
You. Me can't bother with this shit. Me tell you that no.
You buy nothing put ya?
Hello. You see, although I come out of my mother place, nobody feels you're bigger than me, you know. Me older than you, me bigger than you. You're supposed to listen what your
My
mother say and
first
what me
picnic
say.
this.
Mommy no want to see ya.
No, me love my sister. Me not go joke her in her
You
ear,
know
but
where
me tell you
for go,
about where you-
Kena?
for a long time for you look, you see, so you're selfish, you know, like share. And I sit like we are going to put you ground. The whole of we can't sleep until me get something figure out. Me now come out of my mother house. If me did kill my mother, when my mother did have me in her belly, Uno couldn't come. My mommy I first one. Me older than Uno. And you're supposed to respect me. No,
You're
ramp with
supposed
me.
to have a level of respect.
Look, you're tapping
for
nice
true.
girl for you're glad to see your sister. Come go in our house. You're too terrible.
Hello.
You cook sunflower. Watch out.
Hey, hey!
Let's say it's a renewing. What the word?
Family reunion, my dear. Come out to your sister and your niece.
Cause all along up out here
No, manners. Come here for a long time.
Yes.
I don't see you.
I am gonna see you. Oh
Come
my
here,
God.
sister. You alright?
Breeze blow you come here.
Me come to stay. So you
must
don't have
stay
to go
with
walk
me
more
now.
from the
Stay
bed.
with-
Oh, in our house, or no there?
Oh, in a Zoe room.
Some night me can sleep in a fear room and some night me can sleep in a fear room. Remember I two we come.
And we are all
And your
women.
niece come too.
You just
me
mix
see her,
it up
that's
and
like
match
the
it
mouth
up.
here.
And she get big, not true?
Mention that no manners.
She full of attitude.
No, no, your niece is my niece.
Whoever be shibby to me, she not have to be.
She a man.
Hold on. What you are complaining about? From the child come here, me not hear her say nothing to you like that. So what you
Mommy.
complaining about?
Yeah, yeah, she greet me and she fi say auntie and she don't come and say auntie, you come and greet me sister and she just
Why go wash your little molly panty them and the day out of the bed to call her auntie?
Wait, hold on there. I saw no babe.
Mommy,
Remember that I saw you make them
she
babe in
and
front
she
of you
and she
and
and-
me couldn't do
look.
them something in front of
All
you.
me know say plate better wash when me go in the kitchen.
No, remember that. Let me ask you one question. Like seriously, you make them argue in front of you and you never want me to do them something there when me did younger? Like seriously?
Different days now.
Mommy now stand up cause you know from man Alice when
Well, me I'll tell you something now, you know, me come now if you take over and run things. So you go respect my mother all when our mother. You know, go have respect. So you see what I tell you when I say then dirty, disrespectful word, you go stop it now.
Alright.
Come see, so you don't have no manners to her.
Tell her when you say for she play them cause you play them wash up all now and she know I wash
You still no wash
me
up?
never wash them. You hear them?
I me wash them every day.
The
The one that no wash plate, you know. The one that love road, he love man.
Handy?
The one
Hello,
that
hello, remember say Elikris one of you have manners.
Me not make them raise my
And
blood
careful
pressure, you
of
know.
how you talk. You have
Because-
manners. That's how you make them talk.
No,
in front
me
of you.
not better make them raise my blood pressure. You see when me cook me dinner, who no work for it, no eat. Simple.
That's enough in us.
Me can stay here and
Oi,
choke
oi,
up
oi,
my
oi,
throat
oi, oi,
hole,
oi,
and
oi,
it
we
not
not
go work. So who no eat,
Listen,
who
go on
no
in the
work,
house.
no eat.
Go on in the house, go on in the house. Come, go on in. You don't go clean up your place. Because from here, my mother taught me no say nothing not doing this. So go on.
No,
No,
man, me I go
no.
on the road. I'm a businesswoman. I work and bring in the money, so she knows that me not supposed to wash plate. I work and I carry the money.
She
come
help
give
me for
her.
true.
And then when I look now, right?
Alright,
Me have
go
come into dirty plates. So me have
All
go
right,
on
my
the
sister,
road.
go on the road. Go on talk here.
I can't come with you.
Go on the
Come
road.
on, come on. Big foundation.
Your mother say yes?
Make she go on, because me soon talk to she. My mother, make them go on. Me will say this to you. Me know, me eldest one, you know, out of all your picnic them, you know. And me go say this to you. I saw you make me sister them, your children talk to you. And that the one they chat about in the go up on road. So my mother, me ask you something now. Remember, you know, me a big woman now, you know. And I really
She a
this me
big
a
woman too.
Me know, but I know this me a disrespect you, you
Me
know.
know.
Me know me can talk
know.
to you. And me know how you feel now when me say this. Then my mother, you used to sell front. And you make your kids them come and sell front too.
She not self
Not
front.
because me not tell you who I'm my baby father.
She not self front.
Bird pick out my baby father eye. That's why me can't show him because I'm blind and you will custom me there with blind man. Listen. You really turn up and make them a pick me up when you suffer so a mind can't talk then kind of with disrespectful way in front of you, I gonna beat out the whole of them backside in our house.
And you got
Go
sweat.
kill
You
them
got
with lick.
sweat. And
Let
it's
me
gonna
sweat.
kill you. Let me
In
tell you
the blood of
something.
Jesus against that. I'm
Let
going
me
bust
tell
them
you
off.
something.
Then could have big like a
Me
papa tree.
shout, me beat, me
That are
lick,
you.
right?
That are you.
And my throat will
These
get
kids
dry
don't
and
want to
sore.
respect their
My hand
parents.
them get red. So me tired more than one way for skin a cat, my
God,
daughter.
master.
You see, who no work, no eat.
Oi, nobody make your blood pressure rise.
That's
Me,
why
I
me
go
do.
take over this.
Then
I
me
feel
allow
listen
them
you. I
to
bet
you.
say start I respect you.
Me allow that
me
to
ever
you.
disrespect you yet? Eh? Oh, you think me
You have
them
sharp
born
memory, you
half
know.
of me?
You have sharp memory,
no,
you know.
maybe
You have
when me
sharp
small.
memory.
No, maybe when me smaller, me talk
Hold
to you
on,
anyhow because me never realize yes.
Candy. It's easy to look out to you and not looking it, you know.
So true,
Why you never want to tell me say your husband done? You just
no,
turn around
that
there
not disrespect. Me never ready to tell you yet.
No, me not talk that. Me I talk the reason why was because you dismember my house
But
and your house better.
but listen,
So you do
listen,
it too.
Let me tell you.
So me just find different ways to
if
deal
me
with
disrespect
it.
you about your house, well, me sorry. Me
I
sorry
love.
about it. It gone already. Me not really want to bring up your
Me
back.
not
but
bring
to
it up. Me just
my
say
daughter,
all the way do it.
chat too
You
much.
did do
Yeah,
it
but
too.
I know that the kind of disrespect me disrespect you. I chat about dirty jazz and one if I sing and who catch man and one if. How kind of sing them they make them attack in front of you?
Them argue. And me
That
close
mean
me
they not gonna
ears.
respect nobody out the road.
Well, when
And you
pe-
will be knowing in a community. You can't make them talk to you then kind of way and they cuss them one another in front of you and
you
they say
think
certain
send me
things.
I go make them kill me? You know how much dye me for
All
using
when
on
I'm
my
my
hair?
sister them, they will never kill my mother. Before some me kill them first and get rid of them. You mad?
Here well.
Come go
Here
on in
well.
go rest your body. Me no want hear
Me
nothing.
deal with it in different ways. More than one way for skin a cat.
No,
Come
go on
make
in
a
go
cook.
rest your body. Me good. Me go go and get some cool breeze out here. So none of them
Alright.
can't talk to you so.
Ah.
And get with you. You mad?
Baby, what you
Listen,
do,
just
man?
go back in our yard, no man.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
back in our yard, man. You're not ready. Listen, you're not ready for relationship. Number one. That's number one. You're not ready for relationship. Number
yes,
two,
sir.
you're not act like a man.
So what you
Imagine,
do?
you make
You want me to lick down the woman and
you
go to
make
prison?
woman when I know none of we. I want we. Woman a fling back and a fling lick.
You know, business.
Yeah, run behind me, so wait that me if you take it. What kind of man you be?
You know, business bullshit.
What kind of man you be? Answer the question.
A man that don't hit woman.
Don't hit woman, but you rather watch the next woman lick down your woman.
Yes, I protect me, I protect you.
Protect me. Don't wanna go back
I'm
in
here
here.
holding and protect you. See ya. You see enough of them.
You have hold on me here. We
Because-
don't give her pay for.
I say you stand me.
Yeah, because hold on me ask for the money for me here. Yeah, hold on. You supposed to carry root on me here, worse. Pay up your
But
money.
me I save
Pay
you.
up. Save for what? Give me the money, make me
A
save
$5
it.
grand a day.
I'm
me
not
get to-
here. Give me the money.
A
make me
$5
save
grand a
it.
day me I get to work. I mean,
Where
buy
work?
3 grand in a rum and then use it. So I save 1,000.
That can't do that. You cannot do that. 3 days of working can do me here. And as me say,
So-
money I'll go penny. You longer you take.
So if you take 3 days and get the whole of the 15,000.
Yes,
So
yes.
how me survive? Me
You
that
mean
man
you
that me love
survive
me rough.
food in the house?
You
You know, I'm not going to argue with you, you know. Me go over here, so. Go back in here. Don't follow back at me.
So you go on. You go on, yeah?
Wagwan, friend! Hi! Wagwan. How would this? You know, say just not too long. This a girl and her mother and her granny.
Oh, you talk about my niece.
Niece.
My niece, I'm my sister Pitney. Oh, you know her? So not friend too?
Me and this girl is no friend. She and her mother cuss off me, my man just a while ago for no reason. Me don't know
You
them
believe
from
that?
nowhere. First me I see this a girl here.
Never me do nothing. You
You
believe
never
that?
that cuss?
No, when me a cuss.
Alright, guess
What you
what?
feel I'm gonna tell life on her? Me have reason.
No man, maybe her mother and my mother are cuss and you misunderstand. Listen to now. You don't cuss her off and my friend this. Don't cuss her off. You don't disrespect my niece and my niece this year. Understand?
If she diss me, I diss her back.
Because member say,
Me diss you back too.
If she diss me, I'll take this friend, girl.
and that's why you can't have no friend, you know. You want a friend have me, you know. You say not have nobody
Yeah.
else in your life.
And
All your man afraid of you because you're just vulgar.
he's supposed to afraid of me. Him supposed to. And
Let
if
her
he
go
never
and
get
get
money,
bun.
he could never
Listen
want
to
to give me bun. The whole factory I don't care as long as me I get the money me good.
Listen to me. Just take a time and talk to her because she make
And
you
guess
money.
what? In get the money from the man. Because it's when you come up, you're here, turn up a roadside, right up this one cost.
Oh, and you gonna tell me say she never there in a hit, not true. So Kayla, you gonna tell me say she never in a hit, not
I
true.
said ears clean and the people them busy, I remember.
In the Lord. And then when
And you didn't take time and talk.
then of course, sir.
Alright, take
Yes.
time and talk because I'm afraid that she will make you money.
Oh.
Alright, Kayla, after
Money
that,
for
you
money,
know,
she make me
listen,
make
man,
her something.
you
So
know,
tell
so-
me about the business. We're going for the new business now.
We have a mission for you, is it? Me know you're scared, you know, for hungry.
Yes.
When time you're free, me we talk about it, like what you need to do, basically.
Me there to say right now, I'm free. Talk about the business.
You need to stay here.
Me no business.
No, boy, me a big girl, you know. Me a 18. She
How
like,
much?
She a 16. She can do the
Exactly.
work. Look
Do the
on her.
work.
Come up here, so. Look how she nice. Turn around. Wait, get it, make you ring her. Look how she look nice. Nice, sexy vanilla girl.
She look nice, yes, but can she twerk?
She can clap it tight.
Copy it then, let me see.
Do it. Do
Clap
this,
it, let me
show
see
her. Do this. Do that. Yes, bro. You tabo. Wait, tabo. Me want you, know. Me want you.
You know all that, but me I make you work.
Yes, come. Tell you the first mission she a go pan.
Alright, number one.
You get whole heap of money, plenty money, millions, whole heap of dollar. All I have to do,
Listen,
I just
man.
do what I do while I go. That's all.
Oi. Make sure say she can be somebody who can trust because me no need nobody want no we are go come and then
once you give her money,
everything
everything alright. And that me to do when me younger. Just give her money. She love money, you know. Millions
Alright
if you give her though. So tell her about the business. Talk business.
One new youth company black. In name. I want brown youth, he was big. Me no really get in name yet.
God,
I
man.
know. But
You can't handle that.
No, you take him. No, no, brown.
Listen, man.
No, no, brown big nose, nobody.
And the money you go for
yo,
that.
she fail the first mission because if she can't go on this one, I try now say.
No, yourself. Me will grow my help her.
And then make up on the other.
You go and go on the big nose one. We go and do it together. I will help you.
Listen, man. I go want to know. Chop piece of food off him because boy I come around the place and I go like my hot boy and like me see my be a Hennessy and something me see my buy.
Yeah.
So I go want to chop piece of food off him.
Okay.
Because man them around the place can get be a Hennessy for drink and the girl ain't just there and I look. Things don't work like that.
I that's true. But what I want to know. When we go out on the mission, we get a piece of food, right?
Yeah.
What you do?
Okay, the money can't give me because I mean I say to link them.
Walk up on your damn big donkey ras too.
So no me the boss. I mean the boss, I mean I get the mission them and get the money man them if you know chop on them.
Alright, no worry yourself.
Money come on and get
Brown,
bread out
you
of
saying
him.
doing brown and he knows big.
Yes.
Alright, no worry yourself. Cock up right and wait for money if you come.
Oh, Kate, you know, me can't work with the girl I do. You know, me take on the mission, me say, no worry yourself, man. Yo, tell about people, you know, man. Any boy this year, same big nose, but... Hi, hello.
How
What's up?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, first me I see you around here, you know?
Yeah, I'm not really familiar with the place. Me not come from here, you know?
That's why you know so you're good, you see, because I'm a govern around here, so you know nothing to worry about. So, how are your name?
TB, my name, man.
TB. Well, nice to meet you. I'm Brittany.
Oh, nice to meet you too, Brittany.
So, are you alone move come around here?
Yeah, you know. I did me and my woman, but my woman fly out, you know. So now and then...
Why your woman up? Oh, your woman feel fly out if a nice boy like you. You know feel like a girl I go take it from around here?
Oh, foreigner me there with.
Oh, foreigner.
White girl me there with.
Wow, so she has sent her money and then something there.
Yeah, she send me my money every now and then.
So you don't feel like you want some girl on the side or something.
Side.
Yeah. But me I talk about girl, me not talk about one and you can't have three of we, you know, because me have two more friends and they up for anything.
But to me love my woman, me not think so that can. But
So you don't feel like your woman a give you bun. You can't. And a Jamaican know that, you know.
me we think about it.
Think about it. Alright, take my number. If you wanna change your mind, you just, you know.
Tell me not have my phone for me. Tell
Yeah,
me,
good
remember it.
remembrance?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I go again. 871-8931.
871-8931.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just call me. Or text me.
Alright.
Alright, nice to meet you again. Phoebe.
879-81.
No. 871-8931.
879-31.
No, Mr. Man. But a man head talk, sorry. 871-8931. 871-8931.
879.
871.
871.
Let me write it down. Me not even up for it. 871 893. Which part you live? Me can't check over your yard in.
We right up on blue house up so.
Blue house up, enough blue house up there, sir. Be specific.
The first house on the hilltop.
Right up there, sir.
Yeah, on blue house.
Alright, make sure I come up with them and send a girl, you know.
No, sir, me want to live, man.
Alright then, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Man, head tough, man. Jeez.
Boy, maybe might get some help now you're there. Cause your sisters, them. The thing say me I gonna make you deal with them, you know. Cause maybe you can do what me can. Man. I'm tired.
Listen to me now, my mother. I'm your first daughter. You might look young, but me is the oldest one for them. And them have to go listen to me.
Yes.
I don't like what I want. Be nice them I make cuss every day. They not tidy up the place look messy. All them talk about is dirty this, dirty that, and style them one another. Nobody no want to do nothing. Everybody I watch them one another. I mean they watch the plate yesterday. I mean did this yesterday and I mean did all kind of foolishness. Me can't bother with them there's something there now.
You see the days when you and even Kayla, she I grow up, me I grow up. Me did younger and fitter and more able to deal with it, no. But we can't manage the headache with them. That's why me see me just when it get too much now, me put my foot down. But when it bicker, me allow them to bicker because if them no want eat, them not sort it out. Simple.
Anyway, don't worry yourself, my mother. Cause we need to look a job. I think you do as much by putting me up on your granddaughter. And me can't sit down and watch you and you watch me. Me go look a job. You understand? And as soon as me get a job, you go alright. So you see all of them stress away I go through. And then time that we never used to really pay no attention and no mind or nothing. Me go start do them this something here now because I one mother me have, you know. And people must look into it and know so they only have one mother and if you're gone, we have no more mother.
What me
So me need to take care of you. You understand me? And don't worry yourself, you know. As I tell you before, me I go deal with them for you. Because me not like where I want.
And I get too bad, man. I fight how much hours and I stubborn over plate that them are gonna their motor.
I look at it even before the hurricane. Because I told, as me tell you, me admit it now, so the house, it blow away everything and that's why I end up here yard. But
We just
different
glad
from that.
Alright, that's from we have
Yeah,
life, we have
different from that.
everything.
No time at all in your life when they are the behave. So you never, all the time when they call me, you never call me and say, I saw them and behave up here, so if me can't contact them or not, you just stay there, take all that stress.
You have Kana to deal with.
That no matter.
No, you know.
Mommy, tell John for what she play them now.
You can't say excuse. What is wrong with you?
Sorry, sister, excuse me. Mommy, tell John for what she play them. Me fed up and me stress. Me can't bother with that.
Mommy, watch you play them yesterday.
Here you are.
She for she today.
I don't know, turn thing.
Me telling you already. Oh, no, don't bring
No,
them foolish argument
no,
to me.
listen to me.
Because
For
I'm
real,
not eating ya.
This thing here, I get from bad to worse.
Tired of
I am not saying because you washed the plate yesterday, you cannot wash it today. Me not say that. But if she wash it today, you can wash it tomorrow.
Sister, no.
What you mean?
You not eat.
So wait there, so because you're not older than her. That means you don't leave all I work on her. So, alright, so when she wash, what else you not make she do? She a wash plate and whatever, clean bathroom, what you do? Remember say all no bigger than her, you know. She a last one. And she a wash belly, you know, she da take care of her.
We take care of her, come. But you have to wash plate.
You look lazy, me not tell a lie.
And not just look.
So, mommy, you take side now.
On a side,
A side
fact still
too.
remain. On the
Yeah,
day,
she
the
want
disrespect on mama.
favoritism.
I want to send up her blood pressure if she go in hospital, but you don't go kill her off.
So, you know, say, are you just send up people my blood pressure? You, when they are grow, mommy tell you, say, you did bad. And you breathe before time.
It no matter. It no matter.
Then
I know
you
me
know who
alone
them
get
a
pregnant
talk to.
before
Mommy, you
time.
tell me the story, you know.
It's okay. But
I know who them
I know me
talk to.
alone get pregnant before time.
Who
A
else?
lot more people out there going to get pregnant when they're young.
We don't know them.
And if a matter of fact, me not say young people figure breed before time, you know. But it better when you have out your kids them when you're young. That's when you're older.
You can grow
You
with
can
them.
grow with them, live with them, and feast with them, and serve God with them, and know reality in a real life with
Which
them.
baby?
When you're all and go breed, you pick me all turn on the cat.
Who
Hey,
go
girl,
pay
don't
feet?
play with me.
Miss, sorry, no. Me want baby now,
I
then.
don't want you.
Let me tell you something. You not reach age yet. And me not send up my pressure sake of you. So any day, name day you breathing at this, make your period stop.
Here, my mother, take time.
You
Sam.
come out of
Look
this.
here,
Cause
say
me
you have pressure
nah
problem.
deal with
Take
it.
time now. Remember, say a pressure problem. Just take, when
Any
you talk to
day
them,
you
take
see
time.
your period stop, you stop, Livia. Know that.
Me no want me put it on handicap, so me not waiting me on. Me want him right now.
Have him right now.
We
Go
are talk
spread
like-
and have
we are
him
talk
right now.
About handicap and whatever.
And you
Listen
tell
to
me say if we have him on.
yes,
but
because
me young now, so what?
that no means you figure get pregnant before time to you're young now. You not understand me when me talk.
What you call before time?
Like before time. You don't know any name before time. That breed, that means that you don't breed before the time where you're supposed to breed. And before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. Once you breed before you be a woman and go turn mother, listen man, you need to listen and tap it talking when people are talking to you, you know. If you go get pregnant now, remember you're not a woman. You're still a child. You're not an adult. You're underage. Me have to go illustrate out everything for you, understand? But when you not hide and they have man, nobody now have to tell you no what to do. No, so you have to go do this and that. Not true. So me hear about you from other day. You are hide and have boyfriend out the road. That's why you don't want to do nothing in the yard.
You don't hear her say. You don't hear it say she want breed.
Yes,
so
sir.
she no must have man.
Wait.
She take man long time.
Sweet
Me
you.
born a Caleb, all I man them.
Here ya.
She can
We are talking sister, we are talking you.
And chicken, Caleb, but she sweet. I said don't talk Caleb.
So Caleb all of the man them.
Kayla big man.
So well and
We
so
ain't a Kayla business
but
for.
Caleb older than you.
Man them. We are Caleb.
Too damn right.
Miss Rottweiler, Pitbull. With your dirty jaws, them underneath the bed. With your green jaws, them underneath the bed. Me no green panty. Me no panty underneath the bed.
You see why me not get involved?
Are you coming here and call up my name? What are you have, man? Where? Hello. I just we no want to talk. Who have, man? You as the bigger sister, you come and get up and jump up and shut them two backs.
Hello. Remember say me bigger than you, so I know uncle them me bigger than. So you have to be careful how you talk, yes or
That's
no.
why I say shall get up and jump
And
up
every
and them
time
two backs.
somebody do something, you can't go drape up and give back. Sometimes you have to learn to talk to people.
Talking to them in our work. Mommy talk to them.
Licking them a big old ass steering tough kin girl, yeah. Nah go work.
You work for me when
I run me mother if you run out the whole of from out here.
Run out Kayla.
How you
Me want to know who give birth to Kayla.
Hold on
So
there. So, yes,
where?
you see this and this a cause the problem in the family.
And me give birth.
Hold on there, my sister. You see what they cause the problem in the family, I bet you don't figure it out. I bet.
Bad mind and jealous.
No man.
She spoil me.
No, none of that. None of we no spoil. None of we no spoil. She never have if it spoil we. She breed for different man. Me sorry about that.
That
but
no say.
the whole of we are different father.
That
So
no
the love
say.
not in it at all. We is different father. Although
So?
we are same mother, so it a cause the problem because this one and
No,
say me
my
and you
daughter,
no
let me
same
teach you
father.
something.
And the one and say me and you no same father, so them feel so them better than one
They
another.
never say so.
I said that she always say about my father black and crusty.
Here,
What's
yeah.
your father black? But for your father
I want to know what one two now.
Let's see her.
That is good.
I be a white picnic me have.
Listen, me father black.
I must say white picnic me
No,
have.
listen, no stop talking.
Because everyone away are African in here. If you don't know, me tell you no. Everyone away are African in here. Me sick and tired of the red and the black and the white. Everyone away
That have
black.
nothing to do with
Oh.
it. All complexion catching at this here. It not have nothing to do with it. The
Foolishness.
color doesn't matter. And because some are different pupa make no behave so.
We not too have time. Feel like it's a mix up and so gossip. I'm going on the road, so I'll see you guys later. Me go on the road. Me I come to. Come here. Come on. Where you go? On the road. You can't go a boyfriend show me. With you.
No, me prefer when go together, you know.
No,
Because
man.
sis on a
No,
set.
me Kayla older than them.
Kayla. I'm going with Kayla.
Well, they make the trail no walk.
No.
Because in this time,
Then too small.
it's too dark. It's getting dark and it's dangerous time
But
now.
she bigger than
And
them.
three better
Well,
than
them-
one.
Listen to me.
She bigger than them. What them can do even if it too dark and something happen to she.
Listen to me. Can't fight. Listen to me. You see, true, it a get dark and them blacker than me. I can't go see them to help if nothing happen to them. So bye bye.
Stop the foolishness. Three
me
better
go
than
with
one.
that.
Wanna
Let me
go
go with
together. Safety in numbers. And if it's somewhere where you go where them can't go, you shouldn't be going there.
Go on. Okay, go on, monkey, go on.
Show look boyfriend.
You must know about boyfriend
See
too.
why I call her phone.
And walk good. Better safety in numbers.
Look how you sweat.
Them rise up my pressure too much. That's why I
Want some
stop
water to
shout.
drink.
And
Go
I
drink
stop
some
beat
water.
them.
You
That me I
want
go do.
water. Go drink some water. Go and go drink some water.
Alright, man. Put something in the water too.
Girl, me say a piece of something for tell you. You want to know something to the boy again? And me stop and talk to him and ask me name. The boy say name to me. Girl, just come, me talk now. Listen, man. The man say have money and the man live overseas.
Yeah, man.
So when you go and say fucking on me talk now, girl? He say, man, listen, man, me a talk. Listen up. He say, man, live overseas. I'm tell you something, I have 2 girls, can bring pan a mission, say, cheer I'll grow in a yard and do it and get some money.
Okay. So that you do for you.
What me I do?
How this?
I say
My little sister. I go and...
Say, look right, this
Girl, look here.
No.
No, me not in there. Me just reach. Me not in there.
Look a girl, still to this, a big people argument this.
I
This
go
so
and
big
chat.
fit. Chat what?
Say my selling body.
You see the girl that sell her body? Did you see she selling her body?
Can
Can hear say got quote. Can hear say got quote.
Well, me did there. I'm sure no some mommy I gonna believe me.
Oh, believe you. When me come over
If
there
I
and
didn't
say
hear
a
your
liar.
mother, I wouldn't believe a monkey
I
like
bet
you,
him-
because you too lie.
Come on, Kayla. I bet some
You
go over your
get caught
yard.
you a sell body and mommy I gonna know.
Me not sell nobody. No, you say, we not fit talk.
You know hear what you say like that?
Oi.
You don't involve
Oi.
me, girl.
I bet some
And
go over
never
your
tell
yard.
your mother.
Oi. Bet some go over here go tell lie upon you. Say bet.
Tell her upon me.
You feel like so when me a tell lie no sound real? You feel like so when me a tell lie no sound real? Me go over here go tell lie upon you. Me sure say Kayla go back me.
Right, and you go and
And
back
you go back me.
Sure.
Oh.
your back way.
3 pound and murder, so better to keep a mouth shut.
Shut. I'll get one chum change money.
Girl, me say me not there. Yeah, me never talk
Listen to me.
English.
Listen to me. Me I go tell for your mother say you're deep in there too. They sell body with them.
Better
Can I say me sad with them? I tell you,
Oi. We can, when we get the money, buy a toothbrush, she clean out the braces. The food and the braces.
Mr. said the
Yes,
best.
and that we are good because you see you now. You see you now.
Him
You
out
look a bit
to
and
think,
chat
and that's
too
why
much.
so fiery.
So you want
You
the
look a
money?
bit and chat
You
too
don't want the
much.
People don't want the money.
We not give her nothing if he say nothing we tell lie on him.
What you mean by you don't want the money?
You look like you sell body for you.
No worry yourself about that, me and money do. Awa.
For you sell body money can't do nobody nothing.
What you mean by?
Anyway.
What you mean by? Oh, me not gonna argue with this here, you know. The little suit, yeah, me not gonna argue with him, you know. Me not argue with her. Says it that you make a sister go up in the yard and talk business, or what? The business you come on the road
Take
for.
a little time and go on up.
Girl, go.
Go play for no. I mean I no come out there.
Well, I go see us and listen what we have to say.
Me will
And I go
listen.
keep them out.
No,
Shut.
man.
Simple.
I mean, you run things around me. Go on up in the yard.
Me not go up.
Run him up in the yard.
Alright.
Wait till by
That's
pass.
the last time. Go on up in the yard. Throw it. Throw it. Alright.
When the coat you chat too long, go up in the yard. Up in the yard, little girl. Go up in the yard. Go up in the
Me
yard.
glad me ever reach up before no so mommy I go tell man.
Come go up in the yard. Look a bit and chat. No do that. You go kill her. Where you get that? You go kill her.
How much I'm gonna liquor and yes.
Give me this.
Tell her, man.
Go up in the yard, man. You look a bit and chat too much.
And you look a bit and chat. Come on. Take them out. Then the fire should ask if you go
Girl,
chat.
me never know say little sister. She look
You
different.
just have to stop the night and stop the night and let leg off your go up,
Listen
out,
now.
man.
Cut off of that, but me I say now we have money for the line.
Come
So
on,
you in
the
or
road
you
to talk.
out.
Yes, we're good on
The boy take me number or something, you know.
You never run go take him man number where you love man. You never have a man already.
Girl, that's not my man. You smoke with man? I have sugar daddies, not man. Come on, man. Yeah, me look. What?
So, for sure, you look loyalty. What you have? Yeah, we are knock off of your mouth.
Oh, you just say it to your mouth.
But yeah, let me
Like your lip, man. Chat too much. Hi. Maybe I made up on the road. Maybe girl, I'm take a walk. Is it a problem?
From morning, you're up on the road then?
So wait, me can't spend time with my friend them
How
again.
long since you're up on the road with her?
30 minutes ago.
And you're up on the road from morning by yourself?
But me
do.
serve.
I do.
And then me couldn't look for, me couldn't find her, so me have to walk up and
How
down.
long? You are not up on the road, so.
Yeah, police.
30 minutes ago.
Look here.
Listen to me,
Guess
man. They
what?
cannot protect me, so
Eh.
do not the call question
No,
me.
look here, no. AK, I cost tell you, come here, you cost him for $15,000. I know how to tell you.
Right. I'm not here can
him
do.
down and question him. Why in the road and walk and look for you?
Right.
I
I
know.
know.
Back round, Panny.
I know the here can do. We can't get the money. Interest I grow every day, so you must make up your mind and know what you're going to do.
Listen, we want to know right now
Know what?
where you coming from.
Me and my friend then go take a walk.
Question the girl.
You know what? Me
You
don't
can't
care.
do what others supposed to question her.
She a lock shop for me.
Because me do
I
that.
should. If you can do it here, where am I give you coochie for? You work coochie?
You can't pay for the coochie. Can you pay for
If
it?
you can't pay for coochie, if you can't pay for here,
Can
coochie,
you
I go
pay for it? You can't pay for it and you want it. Freeness not give you right to so. Up front with the money I go down in a hole. You brighty?
Very bad for you.
You brighty?
You're your man there, yard, right? And you're your man. Your man can't afford it here right away. You have a
Listen
lock
now.
shop on it.
Oi,
Me nah know
the
man.
brokenness not gonna work. Love can't full belly. This a belly ya need money. And money me want money. You don't understand money.
Love no full belly.
Love can't do here.
Just full belly.
Trust me. You know what? Me not go beat up my lip on you, you know.
I'm money in a relationship.
I know money in the relationship, but me need money.
Are you here you're in a relationship?
Me need money to keep the relationship at
Are your friend
float.
never influence you?
Which friend? Don't put my friend them in this. When I have a relationship problem, don't put my friend them in
a
it.
boy. No woman could let me borrow like that. Yes, a boy.
We are gonna do it back now. Do it now.
No, we couldn't
Wait
do
there.
Put it back down.
Put up your hand. Put it down. Put it down.
Yeah, alright.
Both him.
Box him again. Show him say you're a real girl in a relationship. Box him back.
Yeah, catch it?
Yeah.
Catch it.
Yeah, what you do? Yeah, catch it.
Yeah, catch it.
Come here.
Why you
Come
having
here.
me like my
Come
friend,
here.
so?
Come here. Let me by anger.
Eh?
Put on your hand. Put on your hand. Your sight. Your sight. Suppose let me hand look up in the wall. Oh, I got tell you. We are going to take the video.
Alright, let him know.
Why?
Let him know. No kill him. Yes.
Superstar.
But it think you're bad. Yes.
Alright.
Right.
When you come with the money, okay? When you come with the money, you get some of the Gucci. That's if me feel like give you some.
Yeah,
My
cheap.
boy.
You're cheap and I don't pay.
When you come on.
Thais, me don't want have to be miserable with you every day, you know.
Me know, mommy, but I have my sister and Kayla next one. Go on, Joe.
Sure, man, I can't take.
Where she come from?
What do you want?
Mommy, if you ever know my sister, don't give me what I do.
What a way they never bad.
Affront myself.
Who, what?
What a
Who,
way
what?
they never bad.
Sister.
Now look.
All my niece too. I fell front.
Me didn't know she not gonna bring her out long time from me soon to make she
Zoe.
left the yard.
Me don't want no foolishness today, you know. Try no say nobody come with no foolishness to me.
Mommy, look at my face. Like me a laugh.
That man you think say everything
What you mean,
a
I
foolish.
say?
Him and one of him friend them. Front the three of them a sell. When they walk and meet man.
You know, some
Your favorite
Me-
Kayla, your princess Kayla, your favorite nice granddaughter Kayla.
so how you so jealous of them?
Jealous of them because you always a favoritize them. And them a sell front now on roadside. So you are the mother
How
and
you
the
so
grandmother.
called knows? I mean, I believe it. How you know say them a sell front?
Because when we walking down the road, one of him friend them come and I say, okay, he must say, but how him find a man when he can go sell front later and one bag of something and Kayla try to make him friend tapping eyes, but him friend still a chat to me here. Yeah.
I joke them a make man.
Mommy, you look like
A
the
big
Kayla
people
never-
joke and show you young, you don't understand.
Mommy, you look like Kayla never give her no sweetie this time, so she can't inform because a regular Kayla sweet her up and buy her off a sweet, and she don't tell you. Kayla did figure to buy her sweetie this time, it look like.
Well, here what? You can't take hearsay go court. I mean, no one no like on the sister for a long time. Me not say a lie you tell, but me no see no proof.
They run me up, you know. Around him friend, around me down for lick me. So me
Well,
tell
man,
them me
lick
I
you
got
up.
chat. So that's I'm reach back
Me
up here
will
before.
talk to Kayla when me see Kayla.
Mommy, you always a favoritize she and a princess up she. Which part of Kayla a princess?
You see, if you did have more manners and more helpful, you see Kayla, with that she might be miserable.
But she come in and she try help. Yeah, much younger than Uno be. Kayla was younger, going junior school when she come to me and I say, Mommy, what you want me to do? And I use her conscience as miserable and as tight and loudmouth as you know Kayla can be. She have a good heart.
Because she a try to sweet you up, you know, pick up her dirty style and her things that what she a do.
Anyways, man, me I can't go in.
All right, go on. You can't take the harassment. On the too bad mind and vicious again. Oh, son, you can't take the hassling, you know. Can't take it, each other. What, my daughter, you alright? You look tired.
Tired, man. Get one little work today, you know?
Nice, nice. Doing what?
Let me a package shelf them in a supermarket.
The Chinese shop?
Yes.
Ah.
And them pay good, you know, in China, them pay good.
And then nice. Like the shop, them nice and treat
Yeah.
people alright.
Yeah,
I'm
man,
proud of
China,
you.
them pay good and then reasonable, so me go start buy my grocery in a Chinese supermarket then because you see what heap of people are buying there.
You
Yeah.
busy man, you make money. Me glad though. Me glad you come home with some good news. Cause why? Me can't take the botheration. One piece of botheration there.
What am I tell you now?
Zoe come tell me say Kayla take Kana and then gonna sell from Pan Road.
Eh?
Say Kayla take Kana.
For me, Kena. Your granddaughter.
Gonna
And
sell
sell?
from Pan Road.
Where you say? Back or
Before-
front? Where you say them a sell front?
Front. Before you get a night, you feel know your little sister is a long time you know there, you know. And you leave she a baby. You see your sister, God bless her. She have a piece of imagination and mope on her, you know. So me send her inside because me not believe it. Me not unbelieve me not believe it because me know the source not reliable. So before you raise your blood pressure and before me raise mine, cause me know son no. So me raise you know, I mean no son no. So you raise Kana. We find out because the source not reliable. I mean I watch her, you
So
know.
what you think?
I don't believe it. Let me tell you something about your sister. Kayla might have a mouth and she miserable, but Kayla try.
What's up with my name? What happened?
Good evening, people.
Good evening, what happened?
Good evening. Where not
Food ready?
coming from?
Where come from, road?
No, hi. Mommy.
Get up. Stand up about your no high. Stand up right here, so. And don't move.
What me I move over?
Me no know.
Exactly.
Cause you see where you say you gone over there so like you're guilty or
Mr.
something.
Donna, what me guilty of?
What kind of business me you say they go on with on the road?
Well, anything.
Me you say they do business on the road.
I don't know about
we
that.
had the panny road and I look for Joey. You left and gone with man, I know me not see she.
Joey come while we there. Me and Kayla walk up front and a talk. When we look back, there's no Joey. Someone say, Kayla, Joey. Joey never left out with me. He must say, yeah, Joey left out. Someone say, where Joey there? 2000 we look, we see look a shirt in that bush. By the time we reach the bush, she gone.
Bush?
Yes, and we a walk. Like in bed, now me head one little bush. Like, remember say we a walk and go down so not just quit and come over to the side, so. So when he do that, then when we a look and we could see him, we say, I him there right there, so when we go there, not did it. And we say, you know, we have to look for him, because what if somebody thief him? That's why we walk and I look for her.
Kena,
Yeah,
how old you be?
16.
Me no know if you say no, but you see true, me know me no agree so, but me don't ask you first before me judge you because you see if you tell me no lie, you not go like when me I go do with you. Kena, how me you say the pan the road I do? Sell front?
Yeah, sell front?
The two of me here. Birdie come right on my foot and come tell me.
Which birdie that?
Your sister.
Zoe?
She reached here before you. So me want to know the three on the leave out together. And she come in long before you.
Hold on. She a big girl, you know. So if she want to sell front, back, eyelash, toenail or fingernail for her business. But why you carry out your niece on the road for go sell front?
No, I lie, Joey, I tell.
Zoe!
And she coming like Kenna pick up for Joey now. Because
Come here.
my friend named Brittany, can we go show with Zoe and we see Zoe one big man.
What kind of big man?
Two big man your daughter take. Two big man.
Come here, me could get to the bottom of this
That's
because
Kenna.
nobody now bring belly in yet to me, you know. Nobody bring belly into me before time.
Yes, mommy.
Hey.
Come say what you said
Take
to
time
me
through your mouth
earlier.
when you talk to my mother. Come not going like a fool no one mother. She talk to you.
Yes, mommy.
Come repeat what you told me earlier about your sister and your niece.
Me say, when we go down the road,
Mm-hmm.
she see one of her friend. And then the friend start chat about how he find one man for them go sell front and then something there. When I got something, this is one you know. I come so to him friend and I try tell him friend say tapping nice, tapping nice. I tell. Lie. You know Miss Patty Data?
Mm-hmm.
You know say Miss Patty Data don't tell lie. Britney my talk about. You know Britney do them there something there. Mommy, you know see how Britney look? Full of tattoo, bore up. I fake yes, a liar. Donkey mouth. Mommy, let me tell her what they said to Boho. If me come chat them, I'll tell like me.
You know I say, from you say Brittany, me believe you. Me can't take it, you know. Me can't take the foolishness. So before me kill you today, me did tell you so me ready for them.
Yeah.
Me tell you so me ready for them.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You got your father. Come, you got your father. Me can't take it. Holy. You got your father. Me can't take it. Cause if you turn here too long, me I gonna kill you. Me I come with you to your father.
We did warn you.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. We are going now. Well, girl, my sister, you're alright. You look beautiful this evening. How soon did I get so pretty?
Kena.
Mommy.
Kena, come here.
Mommy, I'll go wash my
Kayla, come here.
Oh my God, man. Well, girl, my sister.
Kayla, yeah, you know, say you're a big woman now. You're not a child anymore. But more, you just answer me good. Kena have man a road?
No, we should get man from. No man, no one a flat bottom woman. You don't know that in them a hard time, yeah. In bottom too flat for that. Nobody not go want her.
Am I that you rank with?
No, but that's true. If the bottom flat, who go want? You know, say not them a time, a big body girl ain't go for stiff titty.
So your ass big? So you them a go for?
Yes.
So that's why you bring out your niece on the road, they broke her out.
Me not broke her out. Me say she new to the area. Me a walk with her. Me a go work. Me sell things at market.
Guess what? Me just so give you one little thing right here now. Me know me and your sister. But me are the eldest one, don't?
Yeah.
Even though you're older than the rest. Me will give you one little warning. You see, as long as you live and you go out on the road, go catch man, do not carry your niece with you, which is my daughter. Please, me I beg you.
But me not net. Me not catch man.
You're lucky if you want to go in the sea and go use and you turn hook or line, catch the man them by yourself.
No man.
If you want
no man no want me. Me not no stiff breast and me not no big bottom. Me not understand so we not fit the profile.
Me never say I
did. Me never did you know. They would look you.
No, me a big woman. Me not in something they want in about every day you no go on the road. Me soon come me a go road. And you take care of your niece.
Me and my niece go sell a market. We sell onion and tomato. Onion and tomato.
You want to tell me say a lie? Your little sister. We mother just put out sake of uno. You want to tell me say a lie she tell?
You say me feel like me not the reason why men are blood in your house, you know.
No fan in front of me and no rank with me. What you feel like? Eh? What you feel like? You know they are the face with me mama. Eh? You know they are the face with me mama. And when you don't feel you can come talk to me anyhow. How dare you if you come address me and they talk to me in that kind of manner about Melissa. So what? You have a house to put yourself? This same house me come in and me did in there before you born. Eh? Me did in there before you born. I love how me want lick one down in our head. You don't know that. You know they rank with me man. I know you're coming to hurt you. It's short.
It come hello.
But
you're big 18 years old.
Me not care.
Yes, not the mother.
Me not care. As far as me concerned, my mother can't lick no. I don't want to fight her out.
You really don't take candy.
What you mean? I mean, mama out. If me they kill me, my own no ban. Watch out. Go in. You're too out there. Go in. You're out there. Go in. You know that's how we tear down this look here wall here, make you all no come out here. You know they am on a road and come and broke out me that about check sell front. You know, I'm gonna look for my mother because all on crosses, you know.
So me can't take problem, man. Make her father side of family deal with her. Sure. Liar. Can't take it from my side of the family. The lying, the lazy. Eh? Everything you want her to do a problem. Make somebody else deal with her, man. Can't bother with her. Anybody there? Ain't gone out. Like, oh, wonder if everybody gone. Boy.
I can't get in the house too hot right you know. How you managing there?
I mean, they're hot.
Exactly.
I can't bother.
Oi.
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 You know, so someone do that. Do I analyze Joey? I tell you what you send me, Joey. Analyze Joey, I tell you that. I'm not like what you do. Me I tell you the truth. I'm not like you. You should have sent me.
Well, an argument you love so.
No, mommy, but now me feel sad. My little sister not there here. I say me and her grow together, you know. If you don't, me and Kayla grow up together.
No,
You're
sir.
not closer.
This your picnic don't know what you want, you know. You don't know what you want in a life. Every day, every moment of the day, I be an argument.
Miss her. Miss her presence. Alright, no more.
Me not making her or you or anybody else put me in a problem.
Mommy,
She too lie, man.
I don't like she a tell mommy the truth. She a talk. Kayla, Kena, for true. Them a bad fit me.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Mommy,
So that again?
you and Kayla bad fit me
Blackie
for
said
true.
again, Blackie.
You and Kayla bad fit me for true.
You too liar and say so black.
Mommy,
So that's
Me done talk to her about the black thing already. No. Me white, me no black. Me a chat about. Me black, you papa black. All the way black.
Mommy, me tell her no, she not have no manner, she have attitude.
Well, if she get the attitude, she go give it back all the way
Mommy,
rank
me not give
too.
her no attitude.
Yes,
me just
thank
tell her,
you.
me just talk the truth. That she and Kayla. They
Stop
on
your
road,
lie.
I
You
do big
too
people
lie. We
stuff.
don't do nothing. We got road that coming back. Everything is like problem.
See her mother, yeah. Your daughter not no manners.
We love you here. We love you here. You
You
look
look
good
good
and
for true,
tall.
sister, me like it.
What do you mean, my daughter not have no manners?
For true, sis.
Argument to have again?
No, we
No,
not
me
argue.
dirty and call up my name. I tell myself it's not tell I say me not have no manners.
Me a complain to my mother about my sister. Cause she said, oh, little sister, you know that. You don't know. You don't know.
Me a
Let me
listen.
tell you, she said, no, little sister. Joey. So me I tell mommy say that no right. Cause me miss Joey right now. You should say no Joey cause I no like Joey I tell pan Kayla and Kena. So Kena come out now and I can't talk about. Stop tell lie and da. And I give me attitude and me her auntie.
Mommy,
Every
grandma
day,
did
me
turn
can't
up
bother
there,
with
so
them.
ask grandma. Grandma did turn up. Ask
My
her.
mother, what I say now? What one? Every day, you know, them a problem. I want me, can't stop.
Me want to know.
Like I want trend.
Because this one and Zoe ever in an argument. Me think so me make the peace and send Zoe to her father's side of family. Now she want come stop on she with argument. I trouble your love so.
No, mommy, me and that trouble me I tell you the truth. Let me tell you too. She and Kayla. She and Kayla bring her out to man. For true, you look
Kayla
at
not
that.
bring me out to no man.
Yeah, I see one of them there no. Just watch. And don't like Joey I tell.
I like Joey.
A regular they buy out Joey with sweet, yeah? But you
Who
like
buy
that
out
day
Joey?
there.
How me fi buy out Joey? I just
Kayla. But
You
you
say
do
call
when
Kayla
time.
name, then it's
You do
not
when
me, me
time.
not do
Joey
nothing.
come talk. You look like Kayla, they remember fi buy Joey no sweet. It's so come Joey come inform now. A regular they buy out Joey with sweet and two of them are the big people stuff per road.
Who are the big people stuff?
You and Kayla.
So
And
how
have it
you
before
know?
time,
Me?
Are you sis out here?
She want baby because sister say.
I was so top in eyes and you are walk and do things and I come
What
around and
sister
come
say
flip
we
it
fi-
for me.
Me not do nothing but sister say.
Me not do nothing
If we have
neither.
them when we young, so me want baby.
Well, you go and go have and you go do things around.
Me have me baby.
Me not run down baby. Baby not run well. You
Me
want
have
to
me
come
baby.
from away.
Me not in the argument.
Alright, easy.
Me not in the argument.
Remember say your auntie and have manners.
Exactly.
And respect.
And
But
tell
look
me
here,
say,
if I
remember
lie,
me
they tell
auntie and
Panar,
me
no
set
need to
good
stop it.
example
Sister
for
no
me.
lie, me I tell you no. You go see one of them there. You
No,
a go
me
see.
no say a lie, no. Me say if you know, say a lie. If you know, say a lie, they tell.
Stop it.
Stop it
So if me know
because
say no lie, me no fi
people
stop
not
it.
like when people tell lie upon them. And if you know, say a true,
I lie.
you need to come up front and talk now, you know, because any of you breed for me now. And if you catch no disease, remember,
Tell
me
her,
a turn
talk
for
to
me back
her.
them the time, remember, say me house pop down, you know.
Talk
And me have
to
to
her,
come back and my yard with you, you know,
We
because me
don't
can't
want
live
no
up on your
more baby
own.
up here, 'cause we
You
can't have
understand?
no space.
So, make sure you say no lie, she a tell.
I lie, man. Sure, I lie, man.
Okay. We will see.
Make sure you say a lie, she a tell for you.
I lie, she a tell me.
Or
Yeah,
make
then.
sure you say I no lie. Any of you want put it, make sure you say I no lie or a lie. One of them. Make sure you say you know in a way she a say.
She and
You
Kayla.
understand?
What's in the dark must come to light.
All right, go inside in the nice, man. Sure.
So yeah, them miserable every day me come, I want different story. Anyway, my mother, I hear just a me I come from, me just go steam me here. You know, sometimes you have to treat you here. You don't really know style, cause the setters them in me here.
I
So you know,
it's
say,
all.
I don't really, nothing me go do to it more than steam it. You know, me have to
You have to
check
look
up on me
after
here
it,
more
man. You
while,
have to look
cause
after it.
the water. You see, Melissa? Melissa come with one spirit there. One demon. He come like a
Wicked.
acid in the water. So I have to take care of me ear. You understand?
And yourself.
Yeah, cause with damage. So
But
anyway, you alright though, you eat.
the
You
other
eat.
thing while them gone in,
Mm,
keep an eye on Kana, you know,
mm.
because certain things, and when Thais, she miserable, but we see when Thais are determined upon a story, more times, you know, see smoke without the fire. Me
No,
nah
no,
say
look here, remember
Kana
say.
do nothing, you know,
No, me mother,
but keep
remember
an eye.
say. Me never say a lie.
You know.
Thai says they tell you no. Me say if a lie they tell, stop it. But remember, me can't prove it. A girl pick me them all do a film pick me. That no mean say me just her true. She say, mommy, not no go so a lie she they tell for me. Me tell her say, make sure say, wedding girl I
Me
say,
love what
or
you say.
auntie they say. No go so. Make sure you say no go so. Cause me I tell them, madam, me not tell no lie. If you never hate me, you go turn on and hate me now. You see, any kind of breed for me in here, so.
God.
After when me they go through already. Right now, house blow down, everything pop down. I visit, me can hardly find. Look here, listen to me, man. She go have to come out of my place. Cause right now, fear pupa na gear nothing, you know.
I said then,
Not true, me no mention nothing about
I
fear
said
father
then,
to you, you know. I just true, you know, understand the reason why me no make you know our father. That man is a corrupt man. He full of corruption. And you know, say a chicken they trick me. A chicken trick me when he get me pregnant with Kane. And that's why I not even want to come up straight and come front up with you and tell us, say, my mother, you know, say me did pregnant cause long after you find out I'm pregnant. You understand when me near for have baby. But I just you know man where I go through my head. That man is a wicked man. A crosses. A worse man. Me say me glad. Thank you, Jesus. Me have my child. And me glad say me have me pick me. But me sorry say is the wrong man me breed for.
So you no see him none
That
at
man,
all.
me no see him. From him breed me no see him and me no want to see him, you know. Cause any of me see him, you know, me they call back Melissa, yeah. He give me some of the water the way in that sugar, we acid in and we burn up the whole of the tree them in Jamaica.
Me surprised you not do something to him already or him thinks them
Me say me would have
already.
beg Melissa for some of the water where did that fall. Cause that no rain. Where she have acid in and she throw up on the grass them in Jamaica and the tree them and burn them up. Me would have want something burn up. Hey, Kane father right now, you know. Nothing he not give me female, no. Me hate him, you know. I chain and know.
Every test comes blessing here, and Kena your blessing. So maybe you would have in a more heartache and stress if you did that on the scene.
When they reach certain age, then we dey hide and go joke for you, you know. Then we hide and grind for you, you know. Hide and grind and whine and dine and tell parents. But me are the only parents, you know. When me are one of the parents, them a matter of fact, when I go believe. But me just allow her for your time, cause any day me can prove it, say, she dey open up her shop door before time out her road. And they friend up in little,
one thing about that.
in little friend them a friend him up and them a tell lie. And then he auntie them a buy sweetie and a give and a whatever. Listen to me.
And a bribe with sweetie.
bribe.
I saw Zoe cheap. Bribe with sweetie.
Me no understand.
To keep her mouth
no,
shut.
But that you see me now do
If
not
that's true.
kill up myself like you think say me having in my head say, oh no, Kena is perfect and she not doing this and that, you know.
But my daughter.
Me just easy myself and then watch we see first. Come I go see if this month yeah. The day where she see her period, if no period now come.
But you talk to her? Really talk to her about the birds and the bees and the
always talk to her. Just like how you used to talk to me when you did small. You can't ask her. Are your grandchild? Me always talk to her. My mother, but she's stubborn and she genial. She look light too. And she knows that me's a dangerous woman, you know, me no ramp, you know. I will take off her drawers and pepper and salt that if it dey bother her.
God.
Me say I will pepper and salt that if it dey bother her and cool it if it too hot. Oh, me no joke. Anyway. I come me did come eat it, but it look like nothing a go on so guess what?
You just come.
I go back out on the road and see if me can get one little dollar one, get one little roast to do one little work for we can cook later and sit here.
All right, me go and go so we can do.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
What's going on? Talk to me.
You keep on asking me the same question over and over. Me don't tell you already.
You tell me say you tell your two friends and calling me, right?
Then someone come just wait.
I mean ask them.
Just wait. You can't wait.
No, I mean had the money, you know. I will have the money.
You have your money, but you're not spending. You spend it on rum. Rum
You
alone
still
don't
vex
spend
over
money.
the here, right?
Some of them must vex over the here. More me here if you do. You forgot?
Me walk over the whole neighborhood and try to find a couple of hearts to cut off the hair off of the head. Fi wash it and rearrange it and everything for just make you happy. Then
What's wrong with you?
a natural hair that
Listen to me.
born natural hair, no
Stop it, yes.
plastic.
You're not saying nothing. You're not
And
saying
no
nothing that makes
plastic.
sense right now. You're not saying nothing that makes sense right now. Just shut up.
You know what, somebody would have glad for a real human hair. That is a human hair that born naturally behind the horses. That hair is very strong. Look upon it when they are flashy and I run fly. It's strong.
Done, no man. Done.
So you go on, so.
If you don't want to give me money, I say, but tell me
You-
say you don't want to
you
give me
want
money. Every
go-
day me have to dip on roadside and argue with you for money.
You
You
wa-
here. Do better than that, man. I want woman you can stand up and take your responsibility with woman.
You are a man and you can't stand up to the responsibility. Eh?
Why?
I said it's money again.
Murder.
No
Your
piano,
dresser,
man.
Man, tell me say when time sun hot or head take her.
No PR no mind none.
me hairdresser say me fi come back and check them you know man.
No PR no mind, yeah?
I mean,
A
she
problem.
No, wait. I mean, she
I must see she attack.
Dirty nigga. Drunk crow.
Are you she attack?
With a man in a pass and galang about it. Look at me coast bad old you know.
Are you him attack? I know me. You see it? Are you man in I can't attack still? I know we.
Unless me fi go back out and me hairdresser you know. Them a
If you
dirty
look, man,
thinking
I'm
man
boss,
you with
I'm
the
No, me if you know if you she a chat.
Woman can boast about here, but me can boast about here. Kawa.
What?
Broke. You know the money.
them a dirty man you with the turn up a roadside. As somebody them a look our.
Look at sit as
Hold on there.
Money attack.
Big stinking yeah man. Hey, where there?
fine.
Oh, girl, with me a wait
me
pan.
Say me follow you. Woman, I go disrespect me pan road. I'm not the pan that.
You
I
know,
know
say
we
anytime
matter.
me see that man they do, me I go tell him saying for my name Pitney. Me have
I
to
know
tell
we-
that
I know-
dirty
I know
drunkard
we
there for my
matter.
name Pitney. Wait man. Wait till me buck him alone.
You have a pitney?
Yeah, you that.
Wait till
How
me
me
buck that
have
man
a
there
Pitney and
alone.
me no know
Anytime me
that?
see that man there anyway.
Tell me the truth. How me feel about pitney and
Come over here.
where can me go? Where can
More if I use she a chat.
I know me she a
Hello,
chat.
ma'am. Ma'am with the setters.
I know-
Hello, I.
Yeah,
you.
you that.
Are you me at all?
The woman not talk to we.
No, because she tap us out with a problem. Some
oh,
yes,
hello.
she got a problem.
Hello, how far road this? Are you heard?
Bye.
A private property this?
Look on the road.
Public
Why you
road.
never stop up there so I stop
What
down
is
here,
your
so
problem
why
when me
right
a pass
here?
and a stop and talk?
Me and my man a
Oh,
talk
that
about
affect
business.
your man.
My man a chat about
Hey!
business. What do you mean by my man? What do you mean?
Hey, your man.
Then a food then. Oh, you get all ahead. Come over here, son of man. Come
The
over here,
woman
son.
not talk to we. And that are the problem. And you jump. You know her?
Me don't know her, but it come like
So where you gone?
You know her.
How me fi know her?
You know what? Me done the conversation with you, you know. Me done. Because me can't bother. Me can't take this no more. So why you look for me suffer?
Another country code me
I
eye.
want something for you? Oh, sorry,
Yeah,
can't
be
fit
relax
you.
no man. You can't accept that in the no braid you have in, you know, relax no man. Fear you know. You know see. You have everything already.
Me not have nothing. Because look how long my head want to do. My head dirty and stink and front. You want to pull out.
You know
Let me
to talk-
tap my chin here.
You don't have to talk about them sitting there.
You walk close. You look for me like a lie me I tell you walk close. And if you do better, you want woman you can't pay for woman hairstyle. You can't buy new clothes.
I
You
just
can't buy me
wash
new
me
shoes.
ear.
You can't do nothing.
I just wash my ear, you know.
You can't do
And you know
nothing.
say, me need to see that dirty boy there, cause I need for my name Pitney. Anytime you see me now, go
come
pretty.
up here, the woman here,
No,
come
listen-
up here, son, man.
listen
Up
me.
here, come up here, so. Up here, so. Me don't want to near that. Come up here,
Relax
so.
no. Relax
Come up here,
no.
son, man.
I know we she attack. You guilty?
Guilty about what?
Right here, so me a turn up and me now move. Me go see who come move me from here, so since that's no bad. Let me stand up right here, so pan God land and God road. Can no government road this? This a fi God.
No, no.
But down the son, man.
Let me talk to her. Relax, stay right here, sir. What your problem? What your problem?
What is your
what you
problem?
do?
What is your problem?
What
You
you
can't
do?
stand up here, so. Hey, me mash up on your face out here. What you mean? What is your problem? Eh?
Wait.
What is your? I'm your adfa. I'm going to talk to your woman. Me not just hey. So me can't stand up again. Pan God land.
I'm
Are you a foot?
I'm a cousin.
Don't take me a fight. Are you a foot? Hey, you see that girl there, she look like a somebody women know. She don't know. Hey.
You can't stand up in front of my family place. Go on up this one, man. Madu man, go on. Go on. I want Madu man, you know. I told me the lick,
You
man.
know, say you idiot though.
No, me not lick.
Yeah, take your lick. You don't take your lick right in front of me.
Jesus is Lord.
Me
Have
a follow because she
mercy.
can't lick me with. Yeah, idiot. Stop hiding behind me, no man. Now you go fast with the woman.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Make it all we beat out him backside.
Come.
Make it all we murder that.
Yeah, idiot.
Come here. Because you left me.
No, you start have sense.
You left me.
Because you come trace me off like I say you hype. But me glad say you find out the dirty boy. Oh, I don't know him for no way. Beat him. And beat him. Anyone like in the manager, me they come in here. Beat him. Beat him.
I can tell
Beat him.
Exactly. Yeah.
Beat the girl. Beat her.
Beat which girl?
If I can't do me, murder you.
Which one of the girl them you want beat?
Murder you.
Which one of the girl them you want beat?
Eh?
Bust the ass.
I can't do it.
Murder him. Out
You
of
can't do it.
Relax,
You can't do it.
I'm Madu man, dad.
You mean Madu man? Madu man?
She seen that.
Madu man? But you go fast with the Madu man door. You go fast with the woman door.
Thank you. No, you see what me dey talk about. Come me down know in front nowhere and me come fast. And me dey talk me own a business to me own self. And now you dey take up here and cause thank God you find out say one dirty man you have.
You see you?
You see you big stinking drunk, you better mind your look your whole picnic.
Which picnic?
Me no want to
Which
man
picnic?
here.
Me not no picnic.
Mind your
Me
picnic.
not no picnic.
Mind your look at me bust up your face. I told me no want the girl here. You see anytime me see her again, she go find out why
Me
me
not
always
no
a tap on a
picnic.
girl a constant about me a mad man. Mad?
Me not no
Me
picnic.
mad. But me whole no mad. I will lick you. Dirty drunk. I will kill you. Wait, hey boy. You know what? I'm gonna set some man for your cl-
Pardon, girl.
Girl, you know what me for you?
Who you coming for?
Because we have one crime figure, Marsha.
Oh, so what want for that?
Alright. So basically what we are going to do now is, where next girl there?
Me name should I yard.
Me gonna need her too, you know.
Eh?
Alright, basically, my boyfriend, you know, we have some money, but he mean, you know, let me hear one do. It a catch me, if
If you catch me too many than you want.
Me not talk about yours, me talk about mine, no.
You see, if you want me help you, me have to involve me in it, so things
It
work.
depends on how much money.
It not depends how much money.
You go in it, Kelly, you get your cut.
Okay.
You know that already. Alright, so basically, you have some money stash off for one place. But me gonna need somebody to distract him. And one of them we are going to search the money and thief.
I mean, something your thief. Because she have one like I say, now you thief.
This is something that we me home. Which one of for thief and need?
Probably a thief for Nick. When she we had do the last mission.
You know, I did a combo?
No, but I should me see.
No, a necklace a combo?
No, you stop me in the got me yard.
Alright. But listen, Kayla. My boyfriend now, we have some money. As me there say, I will need the money. So when I go see thing there. Me can't do that the part they are. No, they me fi come with you know.
Yeah, come with we.
Me I go pick up in time and una go search the money. So when they find the money now, una go signal me and then we are go left. The brown boy next. The big nose boy me I tell about him Tibi. Him. We do the same with him and take away money. Cause boy go on like saying one wall and put the money too tight, you know.
Right.
Come beg the boy a piece of food and the boy
so
go and hold this and that.
Me no go pa yard go come because up yard me I go cause I road me I come from me go pa yard now go come and I come back.
Oh, alright.
So don't protest so.
No take long, you know.
Oi. Anybody there? Thais? Hey, now, I don't want to go in for come back out, you know. Come.
Mommy.
What happened? May I go
Oh,
out?
God.
May I go touch the road? I need to do certain things and come back before rain.
Can I back something for me?
Where you are come from?
Huh?
Where you are come from?
Remember where I come from?
Me
You know say me a
stutter?
big woman. You know that?
Big woman.
You don't know see me and your mother?
Yeah, me know
You
that.
don't know say you live under my roof?
So what that say?
So that say me have the right to ask you where you are come from?
No. That not give you the right to ask me where me I come from. Me a big one, and me go where me want to go and come back in whenever I want to.
Oh,
So the second suitcase me for the park. Okay.
You can't put me out. Cause if
You don't see me run Zoe already.
and that's Zoe, because Zoe don't have much sense.
Okay.
Cause if you put me out right now, you have to go through the line. That don't take you probably 2 months or 1 month. Tops. So now them tell them again to do what me want to do. Say them make no sense.
I say you think.
Relax.
I say you think. Me got true love to put Zoe out. You
Zoe a idiot.
Tanto the way upon the law.
Tanto they wait upon the
They
law.
soon come.
You better go up on the road, no mommy.
Come in there, no argument with you. But Tanto they wait upon the
What
law.
Tanto they?
Put out Zoe, me put you out. Watch
Flap like a
yourself.
duck. Excuse me, I can talk to my niece. Why go on my niece? Go on in. Move and go in. Hurry up. Go on in with the black save. Go on in, man. Go in, man. Go on in, Jesus, man. My destruction come from the side here. However, me wonderful. However, me wonderful niece. You're looking beautiful this morning. So gorgeous.
Yes. What you want?
You know what I want? Remember, we have the mission to go up, and I just see my friend while I'm going. I just see Brittany. And Brittany say the mission ready.
Yeah, I only go up on a mission. Me, I look out, cause I don't, girl. You know see how my mother, also known as your sister, stay.
Listen to me.
What?
Me get to realize, say, whenever me I tell you to do something, it's like you tell me if you do it. Like you know the opposite of what me say.
Yeah.
You dey go up on the mission.
Me not
You don't
going.
want money.
No, me alright here. Me alright with what my mother give me and with what my granny giving me too. I don't want to go nowhere because I do not want to meet Jesus early. Me never did tell you say
You
I
know
want
me,
ticket to
Jesus.
go heaven.
Me tell you say, and I like you go good, they go have sex with the man. You not have no sex with the man.
Me not have to if it work. Me not
All you do is squingy in it. That's all you do.
Squinch. Me not want shit.
If
They
you
come with you and me watch out. If
So why you
nobody
not
come,
smile?
me tell you. Eh?
just go there and smile. I'm sure of your pretty looks there, man. You
I
know,
don't
and you
think
look
so.
waist and you look sitting and wind up your body.
You can't
And
go.
you
Me
dey go
look
on the
out.
mission and you with
Me
the
not
man.
go in. You want me go back in then?
Come on, cause
Okay.
I there you going. Cause
Me
me
not
not
go.
first
You
and
want
next
go
time.
do- me not go.
Oh, excuse me, young man. Wait a minute.
What problem now?
You and my daughter in a things? You
No.
and Candy in a things?
No.
So how every time me confused and I try understand. Every time my daughter see you, you rise our pressure.
She a mad man.
That call madness down for me picnic.
No.
I'm
Tell
picnic
me
no
now.
mad.
Tell me now. Only a mad somebody go see somebody and trouble them, right?
No, me know my daughter. Is a reason.
No, it can't be a reason. I don't know your daughter. She's a mad woman. She's definitely a mad woman. I don't know her. I don't have no. She even see me today, you know, and attack me up the road, you know. See me and my woman turn up, you know, and attack me up the road. For sure, say the woman is a mad woman. Yeah.
So the young girl is your woman?
Yes! I'm my catty that. Me too old for her? No, me not too old
Me
for
no
her.
business with
A
that.
good fit.
Age is just a number.
No, you when me I tell you say, age is not just a number for me. As long as I reach the right age,
Yes.
it's my catty that.
Mm-hmm.
She make me feel young. Right?
Mm-hmm. Me no business with that part. Me want to know what business you and Candy have. Because me know my picnic and she not mad.
No,
She might be the only sensible one me have.
No, me don't know her from Adams. I don't know her. From Adam's days, I don't know her. Remember, say Adam and Eve was the first person on earth. I don't know her. I never see her. I never see her in my garden. My garden was free from her. She's a mad woman. I don't associate with her.
So you used to associate with her. Oh, so we're getting somewhere. No, we are getting somewhere.
No, but that's so. Me no want remember nothing about the past. Me and I never.
So there was a past. So you know my daughter. And she know you. And you would have me turn there like a mad woman.
No, it was a one night. It was a one night. But that was when we were younger, in our age, and we did just pop a look one night, and we did younger than time they are fool. So we did just avoid her, you know?
So Olan, you are the madman.
How?
You've dropped and lick your head.
How?
Because not even 2 minutes ago, me I ask you, If you know my daughter, what you and my daughter have, and you tell me, say, you know her from Adams. And then you gonna tell me, say, you dipping in my daughter well. And you know, remember my daughter, so you are the mad one. Now me know why my daughter head chip when she see you.
Yeah. Between me and you, I tell you, since I want to come to the conclusion now, or the conclusion I will want name. Me and I did that one night. Not the time we were young, you know, picnic days, full days, yummy days. Then the days there was a yummy days. Then the days are free days, they get little pum pum and that's it, gone. You know, drop off no money. Me as a school youth, when did you get money for gear?
Where you call my picnic? I say my picnics have sex for money.
Well,
a whore you call my daughter?
I never said she a whore. It's just between me and you. I have a little one night. Yeah, she skipped school, couldn't check me. It's not a one night neither, it's a one day. Because she linked me at the day. So me and her are with the day and we are reading some books. Until me Google it. I go up and Google and me type in XX. Rather. Yeah, I will put in rather. And
So hold on. Are you broke up my picnic?
I
Are you broke up my daughter?
No, listen.
Huh? I teach my daughter perversion on internet.
She said, you always a watching, you know. And she go in your phone and see it.
Now me know you're a madman.
And then
I really know you're a madman.
And then she can come to me and put it on me little sachets, rise up. And she said, make me feel it. And I say, if you feel it, you have to take it. She feel it.
So hold on, you're a big man then the time?
No, schoolboy. I was a schoolboy them time. We going at the same school, same grade.
Now me see why her head chip when she see you. Me don't know what
She's jealous.
How?
To my left
Weeble? How she feel jealous of Weeble?
Oh,
my daughter not desperate. She might a young and fool then, but she not desperate for we to call Weeble. Now me know the truth.
A Weeble you call me?
Yes, a Weeble. Eh?
Right,
you just go take up things. Now me know me I go talk to her.
Forget you, yeah?
Where's the book? Don't why me have to go along?
Kaya niyo.
Hi, me I say.
It has nothing to do with nothing but the name.
You knew. No, me that look for the money.
Yesterday, auto and now I wanna go the longest, so I'm search because I'm find the money.
What does say?
Okay.
Listen to me now.
You can't tell me no, you did find the money.
What you mean by if me not find the money, but I'm
Okay,
the boss. And I boss pay the workers.
So there's no boss in this thing. This is business partner. We are partner, not no boss. If you're the boss, why you want to go do the work?
Well, me are the head then.
Which head?
We are the tail.
Which tail? Man, where you there? Me tummy can't go my yard right now and I make you want to go over the big nose boy yard, you know.
Listen, Kayla.
I hear
You
man.
say hard for my work with you do. Me forget somebody. You want me get somebody else?
You better.
Yes.
Because you can't want to say your boss and about me a tail. Me look like a worm, me like a something that wiggle for me tail, I'm like a dog.
Alright, done. Kayla.
We don't go to that big nose boy yard now. Me look
And
bad.
I know go do the work. Me
Who?
first I look.
Yo,
Me first.
listen to me,
find the
man.
money.
Me nah
No, you
me
have
this
to do
time I
somebody
look
work
for the
too.
money. Me I look for the money this time. Only can do or not do.
So where do we say you don't look for the money while I go over there?
Yeah, we don't go over this up. When I go over this, you go profile better than how you go on in this.
No,
So
yo,
you go
can't tell
joke, you go whine, you go jig, you
Guess
do
what?
everything.
Yesterday's maga worm where you can wine. The maga worm is gonna
Oi,
go back to our
you see,
yard.
all of your
So
head
make up
tap.
your mind.
Listen,
make up
man.
your mind. Girl.
You see, all of your head tap. If you go pan, you go put your head tap, you go twerk, you go
What the
quinty
fuck?
back
Come on.
to them.
No, come on. You don't
I
talk
can't
much.
let you
Come
go do
on.
the same.
Girl, you don't have to tell me off for work. Come on.
No, so
Let's
you can't
go.
do your thing.
And you can't do nothing. That's why you want to be the boss.
Yeah, nothing
Handicap.
wrong with that. What do I open? It's Brittany and
Like you're nice.
her two friends. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
How you look so?
Look happy for seeing you, you know. It look like 3, some are almost 4, so.
No worry yourself, man. I let her go on.
Hello, you don't want that I go like I don't know how they work.
No, threesome I'm go on. Me just go watch because I'm girls them. Yeah.
Baby, I want you to go
A
first.
professional.
You go first.
No, me and I already have a deal already.
Tired.
Jump on the wagon.
Listen to me now, man. Listen. A threesome I go on and me I go watch because I'm girls them bad. Me can't do nothing.
Guess what?
Me not bad, me can't do nothing.
Go first.
Me can't, you tell me something I'm not do nothing, Kayla.
Go pan now. Do this.
Then why you not go pan go?
Go do something.
Go clap.
Go on over the song, go do something, man.
Press
Go on. So I really come in the house and do this Kayla over again.
Say bad side, man.
She always can jump up on the wagon same time, you know.
You know, let me jump on the stream, but let's
Go
one.
first. Me jump back on you.
No, me I bigger. Go on, man.
Me they go jump. Me say jump, girl. One.
Kayla.
One. Are you there go first? You know?
Yeah, the bad one. Go on. Send for your bad girl. Go on, girl. Go on, man.
Girl,
Go on. Yes, hell, I do the work. Look at the girl and go on. So wait, how you like it?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Wonderful.
Well, that not sound bad. So I ask you a question. How would you bad one?
Now must she the slimmers, the black one over there.
What you mean the slimmers? Look how me shape good. Look how me look good.
She not have nothing to do with it.
I'm coming to the best performance.
Where?
Wait.
No.
You didn't see
She do the best performance. She had the better one on the wagon.
The better one, pan the wagon. Oh, so I say you do things now. Kelly, you see all you?
What me do?
You see all you? I use something of course and make me tired out.
So, this is a bag of
Yo.
money.
What you got with the money?
Run him done. Take everything from her.
When I done?
Money, I want it for money. Take everything.
No, me not trust that
The
one.
money? Me have to go for the money.
Why is some calling for the money, girl?
Take everything I try on her part.
Kelly, what happened?
What have you run off with the money? You do the work? Give me my money.
What Kelly man trick we?
Me bombard.
A closing.
I be close.
Bitches. Don't take shit to us. Yeah,
Here.
enough. Where you give me that for?
What in a man look what in a bag?
Up in the show, me no want to touch it.
Baby clothes.
Me Jesus.
Baby close. After me work so hard. And then you feel like a chief.
But he still never perform good. No business.
Ayo! Make a book over there.
You know, go on.
Me a come over there. Me but you can't go down the drain so. Walk up, girl. Walk up.
Where?
Get the money there. You think my budget now go to the jail like that after me work and you want to see me and work. You think me in the feel pain? Where the money there?
Alright, me promise. Me not have it for real. That's why me do that. Me not have
So
it.
why you never touch it from before you
Me never want to look now. Me promise you tomorrow.
You know, see, that's why I feel your head looks so. I pop, and I pop smoke this, no pop fire.
Pop fire, you're right.
Tell me money, boy. Go out and feed that boy.
No, me
Struggling.
If you strangle me, how you get the money?
You know what? Make tomorrow and me come here. Me not get the money I will see. You will see.
Juke on and hear them, so you know, say you're serious.
No, wait, you'll get it. Check me early tomorrow.
Early.
You get some money by later, so early tomorrow.
Or tomorrow 2 we are coming. Black girl come to get no money.
Alright, you will get it.
Come on.
I will come tomorrow, you're not happy.
Alright.
Right now, me I go out the road, go seal out from them gold chain, you know. Seal out from them gold chain, yeah. How my mother get them? Watch her. She a come. Hey, me
Lord.
my mother.
I will you search out and find me.
Alright, yeah, so me take them up. Me not search a place. Me not search people place anyway. Me eye back up on it, but me not tell no lie. Then gold chain, yeah, bad. Yo, me I go out the road. Me have to make a on the beach. Tourists a come down. Sure. Me not tell no lie.
Season a start then now.
Then gold chain and then bad then can melt up. I make a whole heap of something. Can make enough money and fight. I go up on the beach later, go sell them out to tourists.
So where your sister them there? And my granddaughter.
Sister them. I do me fi ask my sister them there. I one sister me see out of all of my sister them. She cock up around her room, they sleep. Like say she a breed. You need to check her out.
No, sir.
I don't know how she has sleep so.
No, me leave them in the house. Me just go down the road and come back. And then gone already.
Well, one sister me tell her say me come back and see and she sleeping. Not tell her like that gold chain but you know. But you know man. You know
No,
enough money for gold, you know.
So who they Ty?
Ty is round there so asleep like she in pop. Or she with kid. Me no know.
Stop call that down, man. Me no want that. Oh. So you there?
They wear. You know, they which part? They wear. You know just tell us they never they here.
That's what me say. Oh, you there?
Them just come here. I one alone me see. And she run her room and sleep. Ask them where them a come from. All your granddaughter, cause me no ask her nothing right now, you know, cause my head hot. Cause me have her up from other day. Be news me hear about she and man a
Where you
road.
bring her from? You're a big woman. Where you bringing her from?
Road we are come from.
Road have a name where?
And every road have name. We coming from a road, you don't even know nothing more.
Yeah.
You are the big woman, but yeah,
Oh, hello.
niece.
Hello. You forgot to hear the talk?
Here.
Nobody no did it, but me sure say you hear somebody. You forgot to say your mother did, so we push you out and we bring you in our belly for 9 months. You know no respect.
It's something understand with uno parents and big adults.
You know me not understand with uno. When you grow up and reach certain age, you start disrespect on mama.
Me not disrespect her.
No, that at this.
Follow.
I mean what to say at this
Tell her
time.
say me I come from road. She no need to ask me say which part of road me I
What
come
you mean
from.
you under the roof? Not because you turn how much you ear hole.
Right down a crescent.
Why you never say that? Even if I lie. Why you never say somewhere? She no need to ask that. What you mean? You're a big woman when you're under your own roof. You could have 99-year-old. You're still under your mother's roof.
You know see something?
What happened?
What happened?
You know see something?
What happened?
Come here. Me know you're a big woman, you know, but
How about?
how your crutch is dirty?
Why me make her
And what kind of smell a come from for your crutches? And your crutch is
Smell.
dirty. Eh? All you two. Come here.
Your grandchild, deal with her.
Lord God!
Lord
Lord God! All me I tell you, say, me never see she. All me I tell you, say the two of them smell the same.
That's how I'm about that.
I am a young girl. Of
The
course,
two-
discharge is going to come out. I am young. My period soon reach, so discharge will come out. Where you are
I yesterday me born.
Why not try to say it?
A
Why not take it to your
virgin
man?
birth me gay.
What's
Me
that
don't
man?
know the smell of
Mr.
sex.
Shut up! I have manners to you have manners to your grandmother and you see your mother over here, so you get two birds from that day, you know.
She follow.
Hello, the two of you take man now, the same man, come know you take man long time till you reach 99 million years old. You carry out your niece a broke her out and they go on like I say, no Ginal and the Sykes. I give all no next sister, Sweetie and Pierre to keep me out.
Cause she cheap.
I choose she young, I don't think I choose she cheap. But you know, chat about cheap. I choose she young, no fee, so no can tire
Me
out.
sorry say I was blowing enough. Me sorry.
Cause you sorry, so me come here.
Yeah.
Oh God, me not
Well, me
sorry.
there already.
Me not
Me
sorry.
there already,
Me
and I know
glad.
manners, a time for your back sit down.
Me glad.
Oh.
Mommy don't take too much.
Me not.
Hello,
waste
me call
time
you,
for
if
she,
you
but
let
talk
breathe
to
enough.
she.
Any you are breathing, me not care go dash no belly, you care that. And anybody who breathe you go stay with that.
I breathe in your column.
Me not call down nothing for you.
So me not
Cause every
breathing
time me
because
hear
of
sound
it.
there with man a road and
Mommy,
you.
yeah, they were there. Here, so
It's alright. All you.
You know even need
We are
have sense
sister me
and know
for.
for
You know me
breathe
name.
first.
You're sister me every time. Everybody know over the whole world and the whole community.
Okay.
Know say me and your sister.
Candy.
Yes.
You still don't understand what you know? When you start take man from your 16
You don't know nothing about me. I lie you tell Sierra ask her.
Mommy, I when how much you get her?
No. Look on her and ask her age.
saw
You
me
out
know.
order.
She
But
don't.
that take man from the time, eh? You take man from longer time. And when you push me underneath the bed, boy, you have the Bible.
What
study
deal
in
with
your
her?
house.
Me don't deal with her.
Oi. Let me tell you
You
something.
don't follow your auntie.
Let me tell you something.
The auntie
Me is
lead
not
you
your
to
mother.
destruction.
Me is your sister. I mean, I want to mash your opinion. No rank with me. Because if me even want to take man from me idea me knee, you never exist yet. So you can't prove that. No rank with me before me lick off your face. Come back. You notice you know no man and see your mother. Look here. Look here, girl. Go kneel down there and apologize to your mother. The one I know. Oh, come back in and so where they go? Kneel down there, so kneel down. No. If you hurt you, kneel down. Madam. Kneel down. Me never say sit down. Tap in eyes, mama. Get up. The one I know come rank with you. Apologize, you break. Me lick off on your in here. Me down in here today. Apologize to your mother for you like disrespect them. We are disrespect her. And my mother. I want to respect her as no mama. Hey girl. Miss, what me say for you for me? What me say for you? Apologize. My mother, shut up your mouth. Just shut up and listen. No, I know so you go. And your mother this bring you for 9 months and she could have killed you. She could have dashed you away because your papa no mind you. You don't rent with me. Shut up. Apologize. But mind funny if you lick off her head. Apologize. Sorry. Whoa, look on her and
You not even look.
You apologize. Look on her. Come up here, son. Come sit so and turn on. Say, you're sorry for me ring off your head. Tell your mother say you're sorry for every dirty word we use in front of her and disrespect her right now.
I am sorry.
But who you talk to? When your friend them around, then how you go say to her? What you call her? Mommy. So you go say, Mommy, I'm sorry for every indecent language that I use in front of you. Right now! Boss you right now! Now look for me, so!
You're overdue.
You are walking she never bad, so. Apologize.
Enjoy this.
I am sorry. Bad word to mommy.
But you say it, that's what you say. I am sorry to mommy. See your mother there in front of you.
I am sorry, mommy. I am sorry for all the bad things that I have done.
You mean what you just say?
You never mean him to say it.
Jankra, you mean it?
Yes.
Get up. Hug up your mother. Oh,
and she tell me say
pull it
she tell me say me can't run her because legally we take over, but me can't do she like what me do Zoe.
Come out. One out. You want to say apologize. And if you drop no dirty word out there when you come out the next day when me catch you, I broke off piece of them weave there for your head. Where you go? Come back. Come back in here. Your feet send me a ramp with you. You can't. Make your auntie but you know they told me in a idiot. Your auntie they broke you out. You start grow feather now. But if all you fi come out too.
Let me tell you something. Watch her. You see, bad influence.
Listen to me. Me not worry about Kena. She a big girl and she have sense. Me tell you already say she can't stay with me. Remember say me house pop down and you me a stay with. So if you want to have grand and great grand, pan top of grand, that's your business. Me glad me not know what to put her, but guess what me not do? That's when no belly fi no pick me. Them a go care that so till God come and sunburn them. Because she see situation when me in, I make me end up back a fear yard. And then should I really go breed? She lucky. Is my daughter. A fear front. Me understand, but when they reach certain age, I say, and then they want to tell people who fi chat to, and they want to tell people who want to chat to. But guess what? Me I leave her alone. No police now lock me up for neglect her, nothing at all. She reach the age of how much? She's 16. They give them consent figure right. That's why they not no manners to parents. Don't me done with that anyhow she breed.
Me know. Me not feel too good, you know. Oh God, me hope this one easier than the last one. Why, Ja? Why? At this time of my life, why? Oh God.
Boy.
You alright, my daughter?
Yes.
Set us again.
No, every day me have to set up my ear. My ear just say, when your ear cream, you're supposed to set up your ear every day so you keep healthy and nice. I don't want my ear damage. I don't want to split end. I don't want me can't bother. You see my ear look good all the while. That's why I always set it up.
Why you bossy, bro?
I care this for you. I care remember somebody you get one work, you know? Get one work.
Oh God bless you. And you know some mine done. You know from when? Me have to just use this.
And this, you know, you can't.
God.
It's like the kind of water we come down other day. And you know good. Tip this in the water.
And we can clean out Zoe room proper, cause you know how she nasty already.
And use them here and wash.
Lord, my daughter, what me I gonna do without you? Why me not know hands for them?
In a bag.
I'll brush too.
Yes. No,
the brush for the girls them, cause you could never brush my hair.
No, but you can't brush them here. Them pepper green like a drunk or dry breaks in your head. I drop me on my mother. I drop me on my
I have big news to tell you. And I can't wait.
Hold on, good or bad news? Come, can't tell the bad. Good news?
Bad news.
Oh, she a tremble, so what happened me so?
There's something you want to tell me, mommy? What you want to tell me?
No, you come out and say you have news. What the news?
Oh, mommy. Your innocent daughter don't innocent anymore.
Why is she a tremble?
Mommy.
Me pregnant.
I know April 1st this girl. Go back in, man.
What's wrong?
Me not ready for the joke. Me can't manage the joke.
Tell me, sister, serious matter and
So-
laugh.
So you say?
Me pregnant, mommy.
Hold on. You are the innocent one. Hey? You are the Christian one. A joke you make. Tell me a joke you make. Me could never lose her for you,
And
so.
my sister, but me no remember her age. How much she be again?
Too damn young.
She how much? Cause she pregnant.
Hold on. No, sir. Me I gonna make you know. Me not raise my pressure in your circle, you know. Me can't afford to raise my pressure.
know
So
bad
you
money.
and your bellies got to go. Who you pregnant for?
My God. Who name so?
What you say, who?
My God. Here one boy. Hello. This bleach on. And he hear laugh. And he knows big. Yes.
No, sir, I have to sit down for this one. Jaja. Who you say you breed for?
My God. I'm sorry, mommy. So, mommy, why you look so?
Then my granny, why you jump so?
I want to you.
Oh, my mother, nobody stress out over
I
that.
was saying you pregnant. That's true.
Nobody. Hello, my mother. Stop it, tap.
Hey, what's
Oi,
that?
wake up, boy. Look. Nobody with the Jesus
What do you-
Christ, girl.
What happened to
Tell her
you?
say a joke.
Oh,
girl.
God.
Oh, God, what happened?
Oh, God. Who you say you're pregnant for?
Michael, you're not here.
Hey, we're not tapping now.
Hold on.
You don't love run some serious joke here.
No, it lick me now.
Where look you?
And my money I check. The man me a check for. Well, let me tell you something. You have to go dash away. Because no sister baby I come me a breed too. Me a breed for Michael too. So you better know what you do. How you finna take me man, dirty girl? Yeah. How the backside you finna sleep with me man?
Jesus! Look, I didn't want to get up and bash me. I want to
You have to go.
bash me.
Me no business with this.
himself, that move
No,
your backside
sir.
will find us.
Me didn't wait for after dinner for tell her not to me a breed again, you know.
Jesus Christ.
Right.
No,
Stop teasing your sister about tie setters. You don't realize what go on here, so. You come out of this.
Me,
You come out of this, because you're too damn bad mind. Chaja.
I don't see a man, mommy. Oh, God. You could have a man.
what a disgrace this year. So that a breed for mama man. The same picnic for you have, she a go have it. You don't know you go deal with that the grandchild.
No,
Sorry.
sir.
How are they?
She not have it.
How what happen here, so?
So, mommy.
Here.
No, sir.
Why you do that?
Whoa. A rabbit yard this.
Watch out.
Jaja. A rabbit this.
How are
I
this?
miss my period, but me think say later and that come next month. Come miss my period this a month, yeah. And the month done today.
Maybe not miss mine. It did come already.
Pregnant.
Why the two not show up?
Pregnant.
My daughter, if you don't know, you should know. Chaja, what is this?
Pregnant.
So you make it sound like a joke thing. What oh now vomit? What happened to you? So why you look on her? Why you wanna breed for you see a man too?
Yeah,
And you smile like a joke.
Me not smile. What me a smile for?
Me one day.
You vomit and come look.
No, my period come before.
Already
you know.
big nose,
What?
man.
You can see period
yeah.
and pregnant.
No
You
call
can-
me mother.
A
Me
woman
not your
can
mother.
see
Me
their
not have nothing to
period
do with
and
you.
pregnant.
Me never tell lie. Me a wonder. If a Popeye.
A Popeye.
Popeye.
Yes, I am. Remember him.
Papa.
Papa, remember your breed for him?
No, me not break girl. Shut up. You
Talk up, say your breed. Me want not.
Oh, if you breed for your papa.
Jesus Christ. You know what?
You
are breed for papa too?
Yeah.
Me can't deal with this, bro.
Which one? I told them me sell it too. So me don't know which one.
So I sell you did I sell front for two?
Yeah.
So you breed for me baby father.
Tell you.
Hello. So
Your
you
friends are pregnant too, you know.
oh so you breed
for your
so you
father.
breed for your papa. Me mother.
Hold on. You
Hold on.
are breed for who?
Me no know.
In the breed for impa.
Impa.
Yes.
So she never know. You, sister.
You never make it. Oh,
I
listen
want a redness this
Shut
year.
up, you know. You bring for your mother, man, you know. Me never know.
Oh, me no
Me never
say.
know Papa neither.
family.
Candy, you're welcome.
Welcome with
You
what?
sound no? Come out to me.
No, listen.
Come me hello, we don't know.
Bag and go with
The rest of you come out to me yard. Cause I can't deal with you. Me pregnant and I can't take the stress. And me I go throw.
Fuck, I told them I have money.
Papa, you good man.
Injure me money in pay me for me front.
And now my name Pitney. So in my name Pitney and in get one.
Pitney money man when you going at the
So Papa I Pitney and Grand Pitney. Cause I'm breeding Pitney and they get Pitney and I'm Grand.
Hold on.
Mommy,
How far close them there?
do you understand that all we go get put out, girl?
So what I carry me basket out and offer?
Because I get put out too. Come on.
One of the two family. So go two.
love your mommy, me love you.
Hello. Let me take hold on. Listen this now. Me have something very important to tell you before me take a step.
Yeah.
Here and now. My mother, me sorry about everything we are going on. So, but guess what? Me can't take them and stress you and deal with it.
Sister, no.
No, me not deal with it neither. Me not deal with it cause too much confusion for my head.
Sorry, yeah.
Because
Me basket. Me sorry, yeah. Come on.
my baby, I go be your sister, cousin, and your niece, I go be your.
Mommy, we think about it tomorrow. Come in, mommy.
You know what it is? We're too damn secretive. Hey, family for talk. Look what happened now. Family for talk, man. Can't manage. You can't manage.
How can I bring your bread now? You're old again.